All right. Good morning, chat. Good morning, everybody. All righty. What is going down? Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a new New York live stream. I am your host, Nick Stewart, and we're going to get going. Let's do it. W's in the chat. What up, everybody? What up, Scott? What up, Green? What up, Cat Studios? What up, FR? What up, Shiro? Hey, yo. Shiro's in the building. What up, Rafi? What up, Jason? What's good, David Tot? What up, Bradley? What up, Santiago? What up, everybody? Yeah, W's in the chat, man. Let's spam them. What up, Adam? What up, Ewan? What up, what up? Hey, Z Gamers in the building. Got a trade. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Jennifer. Good morning, Jay. Oh, too quick. Ghost of me's in the building. What up, Ghost of me? Oh, what up, Gino? Hey, chat, quick. Oh, what up, Jason? Good morning, everybody. What up, Disturbed is in the building. Good morning. That guy, TK, is that guy for sure. 100%. What up, Ronald Trump? I like that name. I like that. Ronald Trump. I dig it. All right. Okie dokie. Good morning, Christian. All right, gang. I'm waiting for a closure here, so we'll just hang tight and wait for this. But hope you guys are doing well. Good to see you here for another New York session. I'm ready to go. Chat quick. We got motion in the chat. Hey, we got motion. We got motion in the chat. Let me set up the Zoom here. Get this underway. Boom. Let's go to, there we go. All right, chat. So look, we got a closure here. We got a closure. Let's lower the music just a bit. All right. So, gang, looks like we got a closure here on gold. Possible entry here. We'll see. But good to see you all here today. It is Wednesday, right? Yeah, Wednesday. It's another day here, another opportunity to be disciplined with the Time to Eat community, to be professionals, and to do what we do best, right? And we say it all the time. We say it every day because that's what it takes, right? A nice friendly reminder each and every day about what it really takes to last in this game long term, right? So we're going to stick to the plan today. We did get a closure here. So I'm looking at potential positions in about 5 minutes or so. But if we can get a bottom wick here, that'd be lovely. And then we have a nice clean range, nice 40 pip range ahead of us here. So what up, Shad? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everybody in Zoom. Welcome, welcome. Oh, all right. Looks like that position is out of the water there. Had a feeling we would see a nice push once we closed above there. So we needed a bottom wick there, never got one. Let's chat here today, everybody. Hope you guys are doing good. Again, it is another Wednesday. We are cruising now. It is August. It's, yeah, the second day of August here. So August 2nd here. And we're here, man. We're back. Yesterday was a great day. Very fun day yesterday, right? Monday was the first? No. Monday was the last day of July there. So we closed out July with a nice bang, and now moving into August here. Let me just share my screen. Boom. All right, cool. We're good. What up, Sandman? What up, Classic Trader? Good morning, bro. Hey, that guy TK, he's all over the place. He really is that guy. He really is that guy. ADP at 8:15. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's take a look at the news here, gang. See what we got going on. This candle is off to the races here, so don't worry about that. Let's go to the news.
Okay. See what
Bro, what? Bruh. All right. Joe Stewart, what's up, bro? All right, gang. Yeah, I don't know about you guys. I'm feeling really good today, man. Feeling really grateful. I did some gratitude here this morning, as I do every morning, and just, well, I was thinking about you guys, you know. I was thinking about you guys this morning, and just super grateful that we have a community here, and the unity, man. You can just feel the unity in the atmosphere. It's a presence that you can't explain. It's a presence that can overcome, even though people are all different places of the world. So it's pretty incredible, the unity that we're seeing here, the environment for growth, right? For new traders to come in here and, you know, get an opportunity to speak to some guys who have been in the game a little bit longer, get some tips and tricks and the whole 9 yards. So I appreciate all of you guys as a community for being there in the Discord, helping new people out, because that's what it is, right? It's a community, right? It's not just one person. I just happen to be the guy with the mic, right? But there's a lot that goes into it. We're going to be having some new mods here this week as well, because there's been a lot of people who have been a big help, a really, really big help. And I want to share my gratitude because I am super blessed and super grateful that God put a team together like this, you know. And we're just getting started. We're going to continue to grow. But it's pretty cool what we're creating here together on a day-to-day basis. So cheers to you guys, man. Super grateful for y'all. Dubs. All right. Perfect. So let's do let's see what we got going on here, and run a quick breakdown here on the charts and see what we got going on, right? So hold on, just take this W. Yeah, W. Yeah, W for chat, W for all the Discord, just W for TTE community, bro. Yeah. Yes, sir. All right, let's take a look at the charts here, gang. Let's see what's going on. We got ADP here at 8:15. That's really the only red folder here in our way today. That's going to bring a lot of volume, so that should shake us up. That should shake us out of the ranges, and we should start to be able to see some really nice pushes and get an opportunity to participate in those moves here today. So let's take a look at, other than that, we just got crude oil inventories, you know, at 10:30, but you know, that's at 10:30. That's going to be a little bit later. We're going to focus right here, right now on ADP and navigating around that. So let's take a look at the charts here. Let's get rid of all this stuff, and let's take a look at the monthly time frame. So looking at the monthly time frame here, right? Looking at the monthly time frame here, gang, we know where we're at, right? We understand where we are with gold. We know what we're looking at, right? If you've been on this stream for even just a week or two, then you should be pretty familiar with the price action here on gold, right? We do know that we are in this rejection zone, these all-time highs. You know, it's like it's so repetitive, right? I say this every single day because I need to see this every day, right? You need to see this every day. We need to be tracking price at all times so we can keep up with it, so we can understand it and know exactly how to trade, right? How to trade it. So right now we're in these hold on one second. Yeah, right now we're in these all-time high areas, right, on gold. So we notice again there's 3 rejections here, 3 massive rejections, right, in this level here. So first one is right here. You have massive rejection. Second one is here. Third one is here, right? We're kind of right where we are today. And we know that every time price rejected, we created this resistance. Price moved down, created that resistance. Price moved down, created a resistance. Price should move down, but we are dealing with some little bit of difficulty, right, in this area right here. So we're trying to figure out exactly, or not we, but gold's trying to figure out exactly what decision it wants to make, right? So we did close bullish on the previous monthly candle, as you guys can see right here. This candle closed bullish back above this range here. Possible monthly fake out is what you're looking at here. right here, this monthly fake out. So that's what we're seeing, right? We closed bullish back above the range. Price has now created a bottom wick and could potentially, you know, start moving up at any time, right? It's only the second day of the month. I would expect price to, you know, not push up just yet, but you know, we are starting to form that bottom wick. Right now, let's go find out some more details of what's going on here on the weekly time frame. Right, so taking a look at the weekly time frame here, chat, we noticed a couple things, right? Some of you guys notice a head and shoulders here, right? we got a head and shoulders pattern here, gang. But you know, in layman's terms, right, all we have is priced still trading underneath this level here, right? We noticed that at one point you had price push up due to massive uncertainty in the US dollar and the US banking system. We bounced around here for a little bit. We were never really able to push up. Price ended up closing back below, retesting it, coming back down, retesting it again. Can we come back down, right? That could possibly be what we're looking at here, as long as we stay trading underneath the support, which is this level right here, right around 1965, right? This area right here. So that's what we could be looking at, right? And if we're looking left and we notice, hey, what did price do? Last time price came up into this level, what did we do? Well, we rejected, right? 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3. We created that resistance here. And then this candle now pushed down, right? So if we're now rejecting over here on this side, you have a bearish resistance here. This candle has broken the lows. If we look at what happened here on this candle, hey, chat, maybe we could expect this, right? Maybe we could expect the same thing over here, because what do we know? Price likes to mimic, right? Price likes to mimic what has been done to the left-hand side. So maybe we could see a push down here, right? And if we see a push down here this week and we actually get a candle to close below, let's say this level right here, then look at all this range we have coming down, right? A lot of range coming down, lots of range coming down. This is a very key area, this 1940 area. And I'm going to show you what I mean here when we go to the daily time frame. So, you know, that's what we're looking at there on the weekly time frame. Let's go down to the daily time frame to get some more information, right? Because we did get a daily closure, right? We got a daily closure, a bearish closure yesterday, very, very strong engulfing bearish candle here. And we noticed that price did close below most recent level of support, right? But if we look at this chart, we understand that there's been a massive level here in the past, which is 1940. Right, this 1940 area, some of you guys see 1940 right here. This zone has been the toughest for price to really break through, right? If we look left and see previous price data, we notice that we've rejected here, created support, rejected, 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 right? Rejected, rejected, made a support, very strong level. What happened once we close below? You've seen a push down, right? This candle closed below. Next candle's pushed down, right? Remain down. So if we get a closure below here today, that would give us so much more confirmation that we're going down and that we could potentially start to trade in this range right here, right? This range right here from 1940 down to 1910. So that's what we're looking at here. Can we get below, right? Can we get in this range and be able to take advantage of this move right here? You got clean traffic to the left hand side, very, very nice range to trade in here, but we fell just shy here yesterday, right? Fell just shy of 1940. Now that doesn't mean that this candle here won't push down here today. It can, right? We closed below the most recent support here. We can very, very well push down, you know, because we are bearish based off the daily time frame here. So if we are bearish based off of the daily time frame, how are we going to find positions today, right? Let's see how we're going to find buys, how we're going to find sells. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we noticed that the 4-hour did close above this level of resistance here. So it did make a bottom wick. I see that it pushed up, broke the highs just recently. This was a pretty nice play. If you were looking at this off the 4-hour chart, this wasn't a bad idea here after this closure. So let's go down. Let's look at the 1-hour and the 30-minute to see how we can find our positions here. Now notice that this candle pushed up with no bottom wick, and now it's come down to create that bottom wick, right? That's why we never, ever, ever, ever enter trades when candles don't have a bottom wick, unless it's a celery play during high volume time, right? Other than that, we will never, ever take a position with no top or bottom wick. So that, there you have it, right? So we could potentially see a fake out here, because if we're bearish on the day, right, all we're really looking for at this point, gang, is a fake out, right? So if we can get that fake out, and we can get that here today, right here, and have this 30-minute or 1 hour candle close bearish, then what could we expect? We could expect the next candles here for the NY Open to start driving down to look something like this. Take a picture, because this is what you might see here today. And then NYSE, right, may throw some sort of a, I don't know, a little bit of a loop in the game, right? Somewhat of a loop. And then we come back down for the remainder of the day, right? That's what the higher time frame wants to do here today. So maybe we'll see something like this, right, on the 1 hour / 30-minute time frame here today. But really what we're looking for right here, right now, is to see if we can get ourselves a nice rejection and resistance formed. And if we can get that also combined with a fake out, then we can anticipate the move back down here and take our position somewhere, you know, right around these levels here. So that's what I'll be looking for here today on gold. Hopefully we get a fake out here, right? If we get a fake out here, that's going to be ideal, and that'll move us in the direction of the daily bias. So other than that, we got more clean sells probably below these levels here to continue down, right? Continue down into this range. But that's what I'm looking at here right now for gold, expecting that, you know, if we are bearish on the daily, then we should be anticipating the fake out at some point. A lot of people were activated here, got into buys here, and that's what we needed, right? We needed those traders to get into those buys so that they can get stopped out, unfortunately, and the market can move price now in the direction of the higher time frames, which today, based off the daily and the weekly, is bearish. Right, so that's what we're looking for here today, as of right now, which is 7:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we did get the closure on the 15. Not going to touch that. I'm going to wait. So I'm just going to wait for a 30-minute closure here, and we'll see if we can get some positions. Now, in terms of buys, if we're going to look for more buys, I think I want to see a closure probably above. Yeah, probably at least above here, right? You see this level here, we closed above, we pushed up, we rejected here, we pushed up. Let's see if we can get any more information here. Closure above, pushed up. Yeah, I think so, because I think we may be seeing a fake out here. So we're gonna keep it down here for now so we can see if this is a true fake out or not. And if not, we'll probably look to take buys, you know, if price remains above this level here. So that's the story there on gold. So range to buy or buys above here, sells below 1946, and then let's add something. All right, perfect. Perfecto. Beautiful. Let's see here. But it's bullish for the day? No. Previous daily candle closed bearish here. Yeah, I mean, it can go bullish for the day, yes, but the previous candle did close very strong bearish below this level. Now, I have reasons for price to go up, right? Because I understand that 1940 we have still not closed below 1940, which is going to be the main area here, right? So until we get a closure below there, I'm a bit sketchy, right? If we're closing right here or something, because look at all these candles, right? You guys ever seen Fast and Furious? It doesn't matter whether you win by an inch or a mile. Winning is winning, right? Same thing here. It doesn't matter if price closes above by an inch or a mile, right? It closed above. Right, so right here where most traders probably would have said, you know what, it's close enough. You know, look what happened. Price pushed all the way back up here. So same thing here. You know what, it's close enough, but you know, I know it had no bottom wick. It's whatever. Price pushed all the way up. You know, it's right there, right? Price pushed all the way back up. So we really want to see a closure below 1940, right? That's going to be our best confirmation that price wants to continue down and trade this clean traffic here to the left. So, you know, we could definitely anticipate price pushing up today for sure, just as much as pushing down. But let's see. Let's wait on a potential closure above or a fake out here. Yeah, we still never closed above on the 30. So 30-minute closure is coming up here in about 11 minutes. So we'll wait on that. 1.2 viewers, less than 300 likes. Oh, damn. Hey, yeah, if you guys could like the stream and also sub to the channel. We're doing some giveaways. We're giving away $100,000 worth of challenge accounts here very, very shortly. Oh, my bad, chat. I forgot to put you guys in the chat. My bad. Okay. Sorry about that. Bring out the like button. Bring out the like button. Yeah, we're giving away over $100,000 worth of challenge accounts to 4 lucky subscribers to this channel. So if you haven't subbed to the channel, sub to the channel and hopefully you're a winner. But more importantly, hopefully you show up every day, get consistent, find that consistency in your trading, start to scale up and change your whole life. That's what I'm really hoping for. The giveaway, it is what it is. I want you to sit here as long as you need to. Ask the right questions that are going to move you and your family forward in life. Ask questions that are going to move your trading forward so that way you can get better, right? That way you can find consistency. Once you find that consistency, you can start to do some of the things that you've been hoping to one day do. Have that freedom that some of you so long for, right? It's what I longed for. It was the only thing that mattered to me. Before I had it, I wanted it, right? And here's the thing too. You know, money, I think a lot of people, they try and chase money, but I'm going to tell you something and hopefully it makes sense. Money is like oxygen, my mentor used to tell me. He used to say, Nick, are you thinking about breathing right now? And I'm going to ask you guys, are you thinking about breathing right now? Why? Why not? Most people say, oh, it comes naturally, right? It comes naturally. But think about this. How natural is it if I take my hand and I cover your nose and mouth? Is it coming naturally now? No? What's the one thing outside of knocking me out, right? What's the one thing that you're thinking about? Oxygen, right? Because when you don't have any, you start to think about it all the damn time. It's your main focus, your main thought. You can't stop thinking about it. You're financially gasping for air, right? And I don't want that for you guys. I want you guys to have enough oxygen, right? So that you can breathe it. When you have enough oxygen, you never think about it, right? You just think, comes naturally, you know? Yeah, money just comes to me, right? When you have enough of it, you never think about it. But when you don't have it, man, it becomes the number one thought in your mind. Desperately, how do I get more? And you're going to have to make a little tweak here. If you need money really bad, I understand that. I've been there. But you can't force the market to give you money, right? You can't force this thing. There's some days we won't even take a trade, right? But if you have that that thought that, man, I need to make this happen now, like I need to has to happen now, just understand, like, it will come, but you got to let it come naturally. You got to let it flow in, right? Money can start to have greed seep in, or fear of missing out seep in, right? And start to shift us away from our playbook. But I want you guys to come here every day, ask the right questions, show up, learn the playbook, get yourself consistent, and then you can scale up, right? Then you could start to get funded with these funding companies and now you can start to breathe a little, right? That hand is now released off of your financial off of you financially, and now you're able to breathe a little bit, and you're able to do some of those things that you want to do, right? So let's show up every day here to focus on getting better at the craft, getting better at our discipline and our professionalism, and that money will start to roll in, right? But we can't make that the sole purpose of why we're here, right? The sole purpose needs to be, man, if I learn this skill set, I'll have it with me forever, and then I can go and do the things I want to do, right? Let's focus on that skill set, and then you'll be having oxygen tanks around you. It's going to be so much you couldn't even handle it, right? And then you start giving it away. How many subs we at? I think like 2.7, 2.8. I'll take a look. Clip that. How to overcome revenge trading. It's simple. You just follow the plan. You follow the playbook, right? That's it. You just follow your playbook. If we ever take a loss, you'll never see us try and revenge it and get it back. We may take another trade that day, but we're gonna be waiting, right? We're gonna be waiting for that perfect setup that we know works 8 out of 10 times, right? Revenge trading is just a part of rushing. It's a part of rushing the process, like we just talked about. You're revenge trading because there's a hand on your nose and mouth financially, and all you're thinking about is money. So once you lose money, you're thinking, how do I get it back right away? I gotta get it back. And that's not how money works, right? That's not how the energy of money works. Money repels the needy. If you're always chasing it, money will move from you, right? So you gotta understand that you don't want to rush this thing. And by rushing it, you guys, your parents ever tell you, do it right, the first time, otherwise you're gonna have to redo it. It's so true. It's so true, man. You don't know how many challenges I tried to rush, or accounts I tried to rush, or even things in outside of trading that we try and rush, right? I got these kids, man, putting together these my wife has 10 boxes coming in every week of new things, and I'm not that guy. When it comes to putting stuff together, I'm not that guy, right? I'm just like, yo, we need to hire that guy. But we put these things together, and you rush it, or you try and cut a corner here and there. What happens? You got to go back, you got to redo it. It takes longer than you thought it would take, or longer than it should have taken. And that's what a lot of people do in their trading, is they rush it. They try and rush this thing. Dude, this thing is difficult, gang, right? This is a profession. You wouldn't come into your job and just rush that, and when you know there's a bit of a process, right? So same thing here, man. Take your time with it. If you lose a trade, don't rush it. Don't rush into a new one. If you're over trading, catch yourself. Say, hey, hold on here, right? Like, sometimes I would do that. I knew I was starting to get it when I was finally saying, whoa, bro, step back, relax. Like, there's not a trade here, right? You're going to force something and blow another account. Chill, Nick, chill, right? And you start telling yourself these things, and that's how you just chip away and continue to get better. Yep. Yeah, don't shortcut the shortcut. Yep. Exactly. Slowly but surely. Exactly. Been reading The Slight Edge. Hey, congratulations, because that book changed my life. That book showed me that success wasn't this big fairy tale. And it also wasn't this huge, difficult task, right? Success was merely about doing the little things consistently, day in and day out, that most people just aren't willing to do, right? Most people aren't willing to open up a good book, right? Most people aren't willing to open up a book like Rich Dad, Poor Dad before bed and read for 30 minutes, right? They want to take the easy route, and they want to scroll on their phone for 30 minutes. Most people aren't willing to get up and, get some cold on them, right? They want to be comfortable. They want a nice hot shower, right? They don't want to get uncomfortable. But gang, you got to get comfortable with being uncomfortable, right? So let's see if we can get another attempt here on this 30-minute candle. We got 2 minutes. How much is the playbook? Free. Free playbook. Would you take buys on 30-minute closure? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, this 1 hour candle pushed up, came down, made a bottom wick. I don't see why it would go back down to break the low now, right? So if we do get a 30-minute, especially if we get a closure here on the 30-minute, so. What up, Johnny Boy? Let me, hold on. Let me unmute John. Johnny Boy's in the building. Asked to unmute.
Hey, yo. Good morning.
Good morning, broski.
It's good, brother.
You're what's good, baby.
It's good, Shaq. Good morning. Good morning, Zoom.
Morning, everybody. Good morning, everyone. Let's see here. What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh, yeah. How are we doing today, John?
Doing fantastic, brother.
Having a
You
good
know.
morning? How was your morning routine?
Yeah. It was good, man. Really
Fire.
good. Got to be in the word, you know.
Amen.
It's the best time.
Amen.
Best way to start your day.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What up, Wick the Kid? Let's see here. We're just working on our skill set. Yup. Once that skill's there, yup, then you can make all the money you want. How much is the playbook? Oh, yeah, I read that one. Yeah, the playbook is free, man. We're not like your IG guru. You know, we don't charge for everything. We do free live streams, free playbooks, free pretty much everything. Yeah, so no closure above, no trades there just yet. We're going to wait here on the 1 hour candle. And by the way, if you guys are waiting for the analysis on GJ, there probably won't be one, right? GJ has not moved since Friday. I mean, it's moved. But I, and I'm sure none of you, want to be involved in any of these candles, right? So nothing there on GJ just yet. US 30 though. Let's take a look at the Dow real quick. So let's take a look at the weekly and the monthly. Yeah, the monthly did close very bullish, very strong here. Weekly is on a bullish run here as well. We did close above this level here about 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago. So we should continue pushing up now. You know, we have this very, 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 very clean traffic here to the left-hand side. All right, if you guys notice this range right here, that is a very, very nice tradable range here for US 30, and I think we will probably have some part of it. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily is the only thing throwing it off here, throwing the bullish wave off, right? Because we didn't open up with any wick here. We came straight down and broke the lows, broke both lows on the daily candles, and now are, you know, starting to reject and push back up. So trying to find out what is actually happening here. Let's take a look at what this level is. Yeah, I mean, there's a little bit of a resistance, I think, right here that may be giving price a halt, right? I think it might be this one right here. See how all these rejections. Let's see if that's the one. Yeah, that's the one, right? So that's probably the one that price is starting to reject now. We'll see what happens here. We have pushed down pretty heavily. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. We're starting to come back up now. So 4 hour did close bearish, but we closed bearish right at support. Price came down, never broke the lows, started to push up now, breaking the highs here. And I think this is the range that we're trying to kind of break out of. So let's see what that looks like on the 1 hour. It looks pretty clean on the 1 hour as well. Let's see if we could look left here. See what we got. There's another level right there. This is a This is not even a nice range here. So let's see what happens. I think we're creating a support. Yeah, let's see what goes down. We did get a closure here above this level here. Let's look at the 4 hour again. Yeah, I think this 4 hour candle, if we can create support here and close bullish, then our next 4 hour candle should drive up, right? So you may see this candle start to probably pull back, I would assume, and maybe close like right around these levels here, maybe above here. And then what we could look to do is we could take our buys coming up on the next 4 hour candle after price makes a bottom wick and decides to start, you know, pushing back up, and then we could take advantage of that 4 hour candle there. So that's probably what I'll wait for here on the Dow. No rush here for the Dow Jones. No rush for Mr. Jones just yet. Yeah, it's pretty clean. You know, the 30-minute kind of closed back below the range here, so I don't want to mess with this yet, right? This is not our time to trade US 30. I'd rather have this 4 hour candle pump back a little bit, and then what we can look for is we'll look for a support somewhere down here, right? If we get candles to, so let's say this 4 hour candle now, this was the juice, right? This was the juice of the 4 hour candle. Now on the 30-minute time frame, these candles are going to close bearish, right? To be able to pull back, right? For the 4 hour candle to pull back. And all we want to see at this point now is, let's say, another pullback, another bearish candle for a new bottom wick on a new 4 hour candle, and then we could look to find some sort of support and take this thing back up. So we could trade it from down here, and then if we're in positions, you know, we can continue to ride this thing up and possibly have some nice runners here today, right? So if we can create a support down here, we'll keep an eye out for it, and then you know, look to take our positions going back up. So we'll see what happens here. Where can we find that support? Well, maybe it's going to be here, right? Because there's a support here. Maybe it's going to be down here because there's more areas here where price could potentially create a support. So we'll see what happens, right? I think we can stay out of this range for sells, but if we do get a closure below this range, then we could take advantage of sells coming down. But for right now, I'm expecting a little pullback, support to be formed, and then we could take our buys going back up. Juan the King. Uncle Juan. Hey guys, you ever think, I wonder if Uncle Scalp is even I wonder if he's actually an uncle. John's an uncle. I wonder if Uncle Scalp is an uncle. I actually never asked him that.
Who knows? I'll have to ask him.
Oh, Nightbot working. Shout out to Nightbot. I'm new to your channel. Oh, welcome. What time do you start your lives? They start at 6:45 a.m. Eastern. How much time do you think someone should be profitable demo trading before jumping into a prop firm? You know, I never really liked the demo stuff because I mean I think it's really good if you're sample sizing and you're testing out like new strategies or new setups or something like that. I think that's fine, but I would encourage you, instead of going demo, go to a My Forex Funds $5,000 account. They're $40. So it's basically like you're running a demo, right? It's a $40 account. And what I would say is trade that account, trade by their rules, trade with our rules, you know, use our playbook if you'd like, and see if you can pass a challenge, right? See if you can run up 8%, and then see if you could run up 5%. And then see if you can do that consistently over the course of 2 or 3 months, where you can see returns on your account, right? You could see, you know, 5%, right? And honestly, gang, if you make some of the top traders out there make like 4% a month, right? So they make like 3 or 4% a month, and they just trade with huge amounts of capital. So just because you can't make 8% or 10% or whatever in a month, which I believe most firms now got rid of the time limit anyway. But just because you weren't able to do that doesn't make you a bad trader, right? Not a lot of guys are making 10% a month, you know. So if you can see yourself making consistent gains, I would say, Matthew, to run up that challenge account. It's cool too because you get to challenge yourself, right? And there's nothing better than having a challenge in front of you, right? And you get to actually have a challenge. So I would recommend doing that. And you're only spending about 40 or 50 bucks on that account, nothing major. And that's where you're going to get to test your skill set and test your ability to be consistent in the markets. And then, hey, once you've got, 3 or 4 months of consistency, man, invest into scaling up, right? Because the consistency comes first, and then after that's in place, then comes the scaling, right? Then comes the scaling up of the account. So if you can make 5 to 10% on a 5K account, you can make 5 to 10% on a 500K account, right? Well, that's why I was preaching earlier, and I preach every day about really being serious about learning the skill set and not just a quick buck. Quick buck is cool, but not really, right? It's not cooler than having consistency and being able to pull money out the markets, right, on a monthly basis to fund your life and your lifestyle, right? That seems cooler to me than trying to grab a quick buck or two. So yeah, find that consistency for like 2 or 3 months and then start to up that capital. Have you taken any positions? No. Right, John?
That's the skill set. No trades.
No, I'm saying, right, about like we've talked about this a lot about, hey, if you can make 8% on a 50K account, you can make 8% on a $50 million account. There's no difference.
Oh yeah, been talking about it. Like the skill set sets you free, right? Once you lock down the strategy, right? The only thing that's going to change is going to be the account size and your lot size. The strategy will always remain the same. So that's why when you lock it in, now you got this for life, and you can only do forward testing and sample sizing and minor adjustments. But other than that, you got that strategy for life now, and now you can continue on your journey. And just once you got the consistency with the skill set, that's when you start to scale up, right? Like Nick is just talking about.
Yep. Yeah, otherwise you're just chasing dollars, and you're gonna continue to have that hand over nose and mouth, and you're gonna be gasping for air financially, and it's never gonna work.
Morning, Nick. Morning, Johnny
Hey,
boy.
yo, ho. So these headphones are crazy. I thought you were in my house.
I am right next to you, man. Look behind you.
Look behind.
Morning, Jose.
Morning, Johnny boy. How you doing?
What's your favorite scary
Amazing.
movie, Jose?
Nancy Pelosi.
The conversation you had with her.
What's up, chat?
Jose? How
we
feeling
doing
today?
Pretty good. How about yourself, Nick?
Oh man, I'm doing excellent. Seeing if we can get this fake out here. Take ourselves coming back down. Pirate gang. Every time I take a trade, 1 hour before news, I lose. W analysis. Oh, thank you, Classic Trader. On which prop firm do you have the 400K? That's on the funded trader. The funded trader. How we pull up at the same time? Hey, that's because great minds think alike, Sam.
Sam.
And we got a lot of great minds on this call here, on this channel. Got a lot of great minds on this channel. Yo, Jose, good morning. Yeah, Jose in the chat.
Where's Wham? Where's Wham at?
Wham. Name a list of books. Huh? Man, I don't even know that word right there. Compulsory to read? Huh? Stunned me on that. Hey, Red FX is in the building. What up, Red 57? What up, Ghost to me? What up, AB Mike? Let's see, y'all. What up, Joshua? Took the buy when price retested the level on the 30-minute. When the price broke high, the bullish candle. Oh, nice. I want to start trading, and I have learned a lot. I want you to know that I have no financial responsibilities. My father's taking care of everything at home. I have $100. Can I start trading? Yeah, $100 in a dream, baby. Oh, for trading finance books? I mean, I don't know. I've only read 2 trading books. One was The Forex Mindset by Jared Martinez, and then the other one was Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Those are 2 really good books. I would also recommend is a book called The Playbook by Mike Bellafiore, I believe his last name is. Yeah, those are I didn't read that whole book, but I did read some of it. It's pretty good. So true. You know, he talks about everything we talk about here, right? Having a playbook. What's your opinion on stacking trades? Yeah, they used to call me the what was it again? The Stack King or something? Yeah, I used to stack trades all the time. And it goes really, really well when price is working for you. But when price is going against you, not so much fun. So I don't really stack positions anymore. Rarely ever. Some of you guys remember that trade on Friday? I think it was, yeah, this one right here. This trade, which one was it? Was this Friday? Yeah, but you guys remember the trade that we had stops below the 15 lows, but I didn't, and I got stopped out. On that trade, let's say I didn't get stopped out, and it just came down but respected the 15 lows. When it rebroke the high, I would add a position in a case like that. So some of you guys remember that trade. That's probably the only way I would add to positions now is just if I got too early of an entry, and I would have, let's say I didn't get that entry, and I would take an entry in this situation, then I would enter a new position. So the only way I would enter a new position is if I would just treat it like as if I wasn't in a position right now, would I actually enter here? And if I would, then I would add a position to the trade. If not, then I'll just let it rock. Hopefully that makes sense. What are you waiting on, Nick? At this point, NY open here. So it looks like we're getting our fake out here, gang. What's next after trading? Next after trading is to go out, preach the gospels, and make disciples of all men, baptizing them in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm planning on doing. Once I take care of everything, or I'm already doing it, right? So it's not like once I do this or whatever, but that's the goal, you know, that's the mission. So what does grabbing liquidity mean? It just means going down, you know, making a weird move, stopping people out to continue a move. Hey Nick, if my Signal membership expired, will my card automatically get charged? No, you're gonna have to repurchase it. So you'll get an email. You guys will get an email, and it'll just ask you if you want to repurchase or not, and then you can do whatever. Do you think this will go up or down, mate? Mate, As of right now, if this candle closes like this, I think it's going to come down. Amen. Amen. Yeah, amen. Yeah, you know, and you know, it takes a lot of money to do these type of things, right? It's not free, right? It takes a lot of money to go serve people in different areas of the world, to go provide different things, right? To fund different ministries, to fund different works that that you believe in. It takes a lot of money to do that, gang. So you know, money is not the most important thing. It just takes on the characteristic of the person who has it. And if you're a good person and you're living for a good cause, you could do a lot of good things with money. But just know it takes a lot of money to do these things, right? Things aren't cheap. If you're a winner, hit the like button today. Amen. Man on a mission. You already know, Joe. Yeah, Sergio, that's amazing, bro. Let's do it. Let's lock it up. Let's lock it in. How old are you? I am not old. I am 33 years young. 33 years young. I'm getting younger and younger every day. Feeling better and better every day in every way. Man, it's amazing. Give us a motivational speech. You can do it. I just did, man. I wrote it all up and why do I think it's a fake out? Because we're bearish on the day. So this is the top wick. So, you know, price wanted to activate a lot of buyers in there before going back down. That's where these buyers got activated. Some of you guys are the buyers that I'm talking about. And not to laugh at you, but you know, now we're waiting for that fake out there, right? So we're waiting. And I used to get faked out here all the time. I would get faked out not knowing what the daily bias was talking about, right? Now look what's happening. 30 lows are breaking. The stop loss is sitting under there. And then this 1 hour candle, if we can pull back, then what we could do is we could probably enter positions right around these levels here, and then move stops to break even here, and then close partials here, and then probably close full here. That's kind of like my plan here. If this candle can close back. If not, then we gotta, you know, redraw something, right? And if this candle now wants to close below here, well, now maybe this will be our break even, and this will be our TP, right? Our where we're gonna take profit. So, yeah, that actually looks pretty funny. Looks like Mardi Gras or something. Evangelist Nick. I'm no scholar on the Bible though, man. I'm just a beginner. I'll remain a beginner. I've been a beginner now for 10 years. I don't know nothing. And when you could admit that you don't know nothing, that's when you can be open to learning everything, right? Whoo. GJ's forming a strong resistance. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I would say so. Right? Price cannot do anything right now. Can't do a thing. I think if we can get a closure below here though, then we can take advantage of this clean range coming down here on pound yen today. Chat, most won't do this, but I challenge you to truly think about the questions you asked Nick. They won't all get answered, so use them wisely. Yeah, there you go. Ask what will give you wisdom to grow. Yeah. Yep. And also, you could just ask God for wisdom too, gang. Some of you guys haven't talked to God in like days, weeks, months, or years. It's time to talk to God again, man. This message is for you. Yeah, it's time to get back in tune with with your Creator, the one who created you, because He's got wisdom for you. He's got a plan for you, and that plan is to prosper. That plan is to succeed. That plan is to give you a hope and a future. And you don't know that unless you have a conversation, right? Some of you guys, you've been thinking about this. You've been thinking about it. Even right now, your heart's pumping a little bit. That's because the Lord wants fellowship with you, right? He wants fellowship. And you're seeking wisdom and you're seeking knowledge in so many other areas, but you'll never get the wisdom and the knowledge that you'll get from the spirit, right? So you got to go inward. Got to go inward. Have you been doing one-on-one coaching? Yeah. The Time to Eat Elite, man, we've been having a blast. A flipping blast, bro. Yeah, man, a lot of good traders. I think I'm gonna revamp the next Time to Eat Elite 4.0. I think we're gonna revamp it a little bit. I got some plans. I got some really, really good ideas for the next group, and that's what we're probably gonna do. We're probably gonna have it as a group-based mentorship system, and we're all going to meet together and we're going to talk about certain topics, and then everyone's going to have an opportunity to ask questions, right? And I think sometimes on a one-on-one you may not know what question to ask, or you may not want to ask the question, but when you're in a group, someone else will ask that question, right? And we can talk about those things, and I think it's going to be pretty cool. So that's going to open up. We'll talk about that. We don't have to talk about that though for at least a month or so. But yeah, I think it's going to be pretty fun. We're cooking. I'm going to have some other traders come in too and do some, I got a lot of good plans. I'll tell you guys about it soon. What did I do before trading? Before trading, I was always an entrepreneur. I worked like little jobs here and there, but never stayed around long enough. I worked for Mercedes-Benz and Ferrari. Those were the longest jobs I ever had. But I jumped from job to job because I just couldn't stand the fact of doing something I don't want to do. Right? Like I just didn't like waking up at a time. It's not that I didn't like waking up at 6 a.m. right? Because now I wake up earlier than that. I just didn't like going to work for someone else. I didn't like going there, and your boss ever have that little thing in his throat when you walk in a minute late? He's looking at his watch. He's like, and I'd be like, something wrong with your throat, man? Like, what's going on? And so I would just always get in and out of jobs, and I was that guy, and always hustled on the side, right? Always tried to have my own business or my own products, or flipping things and selling things, and just been always pretty creative with the entrepreneur stuff to kind of stay out of a 9-to-5 job. To survive the day-to-day of no job.
Always a way.
There's always a way. My mentor would say, you have to find a way to win, right? Winners find a way to win. Let's see what gold's doing here. Nice. Got 4 minutes for the NY Open here. Yeah, amen. Any staff in the office? Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's see if we can get this candle to close here. We got 3 minutes. If we can get a pullback, that would be amazing. Let's see what the 15-minute time frame looks like. Yeah, we should be able to get a pullback here. So we got 15 kind of no top wick. We should see this 15 pull back a little bit. If we can close like slightly above, something like this. Check this out. If we can kind of close slightly above, right, like this, and then the next 15 candle can stay bearish below the range, giving us another little bit of a resistance, then we could take our sells now coming down. Something like that. Oh, wait, we got news at 8:15 though. Yeah, we got news here at 8:15, so that's going to get in the way here. But if we didn't have news, that's what I'll be looking for. something like that on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, so 8:30 seems to be the move here. So let's see where that brings us. News in 17? Yeah, yep, you're right. Trading news? Look, Nightbot's yelling at me. Nick, are you trading news? No. We simply wait for our setups after news and take advantage of the volume. Oh yeah, that's right. Sorry, Nightbot. Same strategy as Don. Yeah, I learned from Don over the last 2 years or so. So most of what you see here, including the setups and the names and everything, all come from, you know, what I learned there on Don's stream. It is a buy. I have good info. Ooh, man, you should be getting paid for that info. Don't give it away for free. Don't give it away for free, little kid YouTube. I think that's what the YT stands for. The mod father. What up, Daniel? But you have smaller. Yeah, so Don, I think Don kind of improved his strategy or improved his system a bit for him. I just stick with what I learned over the last 2 years, which was kind of, I usually stay on this like 30-minute, 1 hour time frame for the most part. Trade like Jose. Green sees you. He sees you.
We should play the Godfather theme song when Green comes on.
We should. Maybe we'll get Green on Zoom here pretty soon, chat. What do you think? Should we get Green on Should we get Green on Zoom? All right. So here we go. The NY Open is upon us, gang. Yeah. Salad play. You are older than me. I am not old. I don't know. Me no speak English. Is he green? He might be. The smaller time frames give more room for error or more time to connect. Yeah, you know, for me, some people do really well. There's a lot of traders that trade like 1 minute time frames, 5 minute time frames. A lot of traders out there. But for me, I really like the confirmations on the 15, 30, and 1 hour the best. I feel like those are the strongest confirmations, especially when you're trying to anticipate where the next 4 hour / daily candle is going. I think the 15, the 30 is really good, and then the 1 hour as well. Those are going to be my favorite confirmation time frames, so that's why I just hang out there. Nick's name is not Nick. There you go. Traders get young and smarter with time. Yeah, you noticed that, right? What's the reason I'm not looking for sells here? We haven't had much success here at 8 a.m. One thing I've learned about 8 a.m. is that it gets very crazy. The candle gets really crazy. I really love to wait for 8:15. But being that we don't have 8:15 today because we have ADP in the way, then I think we may have to just settle down here and wait for 8:30. Because once 8:30 comes around, this red folder will have already come out and price will have already picked a direction, and all we have to do now is step into the market and let it take us to where it wants to go, right? There shouldn't be any struggle on an 8:30 trade here today. If we have direction and we get a closure and our playbook set up to show itself, then we should be seeing a really, really nice move here around 8:30. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Really good. Remember what we're paying attention to here as well, gang, with 8 a.m. We may not see it today because we have 8:15 news, but very often we've been seeing the 30-minute time frame breaking the highs, or, you know, in a bearish situation, breaking the highs there and then coming down, and then that being the high of the day. You guys remember I said that yesterday? What was the high of that session? Go back and look. You'll notice that that high that we talked about after breaking the previous candle was the high of the session. Some of you guys picked that up. Who's picking up what we're putting out? Huh? It's forming an MMM pattern. MMMMM. Sound like my daughter. MMM. She go W. She's W. She says now. Too funny. That's a cup with a handle, right? Where do you see a cup with a handle? Yo, Raja was the greatest, bro. One time someone's like, I think I see a cup and handle. He's like, man, what's a cup and handle? Where do you see a cup and handle? There's Tandy, Mr. Cup and Handle. Good morning, sir. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome in, welcome in. Wandy. Yeah, Scott, you see that at 15? So yeah, that's what we'd be looking for, you know. Iconic. How's GJ today, Nick? How's GJ? Let's see. Yeah, GJ's been choppy a bit. I'm gonna wait for a closure below this level here on pound yen today, and then if we can get that, it's actually starting not to look as bad, right? You kind of got price trapped here, so we got price trapped in this little range right here. I think if we can get a breakout, we should be good. Daily is pretty bearish here. Broke all the lows. 4 hours pretty bearish as well. We're coming up to this area here on the 4 hour though. See the resistance to the left right here. So we'll see what happens at that point. We closed right at it. So we'll see. We'll see. 9 minutes until news. What's your prediction? Me no speak English. I don't have predictions. How we doing, fellas? What up, Jacob? I see a plate and spoons. I like that. I see the plate and spoons pattern here. Looks good. I think we have a new 74 wins, 18 losses. Wow, bro. Is that good? Is that good? That's pretty good. I think it's good. Yeah, we've had a solid couple months here. We've had a solid couple months. We're on the board here in August with a break-even trade, but July was pretty good. We took this the most losses we've taken in a month all year. We took 5 losses here. This was probably our most difficult month to navigate. Gold was really choppy here, but you know, June we were pretty much damn near perfect. Just stacked the board with wins here. We had one break-even trade, one 10-pip loss. That wasn't a big deal. So we did really well in June. We just stacked W's up. Same thing with May. May was a really good month. And this is healthy P&L, right? You should have some losses here and there, right? If someone's live streaming or if someone's showing you every month and it looks like our month of June, run, right? Run. You should have some losses, right? This is what a healthy P&L looks like, right? Win, win, loss, win, break even, win, 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 break even, win, 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 loss, win, win, loss, right? Win, 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 loss, right? You should have some losses in your P&L. They're healthy losses, right? You got to pay rent to the market. So May was pretty good. April was pretty good as well. We took two losses here. 2 losses, 2 break evens, and then the rest were wins in April. So that was a really good month. A lot of 30-minute time frame trades here in April. And then March, we went on a nice little run here too in March. I think we took 3 losses there in March. So not too bad. Not too bad. February was very slow. That was our first month of streaming. And now we are in August. So man, we've been streaming now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our 7th month here. Wow. Time flies when you're having fun, man. Time flies when you're having fun. And yeah, everything's tracked here on the live stream. That's the coolest part about it. Everything's documented. Everything's documented. It's all here. It's beautiful. When can we know when there's news? 8:15. 8:15. Hey, yo, what up, Van Trading? Cheers, mate. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a good morning. I'm sure you're killing it as always. Shout out to Vant Trading in the chat. Want Trading in the chat. Just throw monitor outside, problem solved. There you go. Never saw results like that. Oh, nice. Yeah, man. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Good job. Thanks a lot. Mistakes is the greatest teacher. Yeah. You want to have a good, healthy P&L, gang. Like I said, if someone's just showing you straight wins, just run as fast as you can. And there's a lot of people out there like that will do that. Vant Daddy, hey Makai, don't get Van Trading involved in this in this stuff. Oh man. Just wait on it. Yeah, just wait on it. Oh, 200 more subs till 13K. Oh. Really? Really? We're almost there then, gang. We're almost there. So yeah, you should see gold start to push down. You know, like we're breaking the lows here. We got that fake out. The only thing in our way here, chat, is news, right? News is coming up here, and look, we broke the 15 highs here. Perfect, right? And now if news wasn't coming in, we would potentially be looking for positions right here, right now. But we're going to let that news come out because we know that news can take us any which way. And then we'll see how that news comes out. We'll take a look at the result of it, where price action is moving, and then we'll jump on the wagon. We'll jump in for the ride. $200, huh? Yeah, we got 3 minutes. 3:16. Hey, God so loved the world, He gave His only Son. I'm here for 4 months. I want to say that you are the best streamer on YouTube. Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. Ali El Harachia. Hachira? I don't know. Appreciate that, Ali. Shout out from the Philippines. Free Trump. You're fabulous, bro. Making everyone learn as well as earn. Oh, yeah. Thanks, man.
Yo.
Oh, snap. There he is.
We got motion from the Penty, boy.
We got motion from the Penty.
It's whammy, boy.
We got motion from the
Hold
Penty, boy.
Hey, yo. Chat, you ever seen Wolf of Wall Street? Hey, man, you show me that payout, I'll quit my job right now. Let Sam show you his payout so you can quit your job right now. Look at the new penthouse this man got. Holy.
We up.
We up,
We up.
man. See what? Hey, if you join the Time to Eat community and pay us $5,000, you could live in a new penthouse just like Sam. Ask him, right, Sam? How
Yes,
wasn't that the
sir.
best $5,000 you ever invested in your life?
Hey, best $5,000 I've ever invested in my life.
Gang, we
Telling
take
you right
Visa,
here, gang, this where it's
MasterCard,
at.
American Express, PayPal. We take crypto, whatever it is. We got it.
We got it, baby.
We also have a 100% win rate. You'll never lose with us. Never.
Get your money right, not your funny right.
Even when you do lose, you're still going to win.
That's so
Sam's in
What's
the
going
building.
on, though, boys?
What up, Sam?
Good.
How you doing?
Yo, I'm doing wonderful. Another beautiful day.
Oh, yeah.
Another day to be a disciplined
Mm-hmm.
trader.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, we chill.
Dude, change my name to make it easy. Sam's in the building.
Yo, yo, yo. Good morning, everybody. Who we got here today? Trill. We got Forex Frank, Classic Trader, Shad, Red FX.
Oh, the whole gang's in the building here.
You know,
I don't think we got one person absent here today. They're all a bunch of winners, ready to roll.
let's go. As they should be.
Yeah. 35 seconds. The countdown has begun. I just quit my job and ditched my wife. Oh my goodness, bro.
Whoa.
Holy.
Too soon.
Whoa. Did you take an impulse entry here too?
I think so.
Impulse on impulse on impulse on impulse. I maxed out my credit card, dude.
You be trading the news today, sir?
Oh yes. Oh yeah.
He does it all, bro. Impulse, impulse. Pew, pew. He said, job, pew, wife.
Screw it all.
Whoa, that thing just quaked.
There it
bro.
goes.
That's
There
great.
it goes. 15-minute rocket ship.
Wah, wah, wah. If you were in buys.
Oh yeah.
sheesh.
Someone said there's buys. They were like buys, buys, buys. I think they said it so many times the mods had to like time them out or put them in timeout or something.
That
Hey,
print
yo.
Crazy.
Yeah, man. Sorry
like
about
seeing
your
that volume,
buys. Like seeing what? The volume?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That print go
Yeah.
crazy.
Yep. W gang. Hey, yo, your market's professionals Inc. is in the building. What up, young Chris?
I'm Chris.
So let's see how numbers came out here. Numbers came out better than expected, it looks like. Okay. Buy or
Now we just
sale.
wait. I had to get everyone quaking.
Later.
Bring the motion. Right when the news prints. Whoa. Now we chill.
Yanosh in the building. Send 1 Bitcoin, please. Numbers came out better than expected. Yeah. Pause. Oh man. All right, this is good. This is good. Very, very good. Oh, look at. Would you look at this? 4-hour bottom wick. 4-hour candle had no bottom wick there. Interesting.
Interesting.
Very interesting here. Let's take a look at pound yen. Did we actually move? No. What did US 30 do? Nothing. Nothing. Gold was the only mover here. What about the NASDAQ? No, nothing. Alright. Activated. Sell limit or stop? Goldie's the only show in town. Yeah, I'll be right back, guys. One sec.
Hey, Chad, wait on it. Time for John. Yo,
Shad
hey,
quick.
Chad.
Whoa, yo,
Chad.
be low quick. Talking crazy.
Yo, Chad, we all know what the real win is today, right? Let's make sure we all know what the real win is today, and that is following our playbook setups, following our rules, right? Being patient and disciplined to our system, right? That's the real win. Being able to execute on our system freely without hesitation, right? That is the true win. So let's focus on the true win today. That's really it. Like, don't make it that much more difficult for yourself, right? Make it simple by just focusing on what I just said. Focus on your system, right?
Oh man, I just came into the right stream. I like that talk.
That's legit all we could do. That's been my main goal for the past year and a half, and I've had success. So that should be the main goal every day. Don't overthink it. Don't confuse yourself. Don't make it hard for yourself. Make it simple. Come here every day with the same idea, same plan. Look for the same setups. Right?
Oh, yeah.
The mental skills stay the same. We're always going to be patient. We're always going to be disciplined. That's just part of the trader's job.
Yep. All right, you should see a really nice push here in about 10 seconds. You'll see a really nice push. Let's see if we can create a top wick. If we can create a top wick here and then come back, we should see some volume coming in like right now. Right around now. Maybe we'll get a top wick. Oh, there it goes. Came down. Yep, pushing down here. Raja took buys himself. Johnny Gems. Message.
Hey, Greenery, brother.
This stream is a godsend. Yes, it literally. Literally. If you don't win 100%, I'm out. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Hey, Nick, do you trade outside of the live stream? Yeah. Yeah, if there's trades in Asian, or if I'm up in London, then I'll take those trades too. Damn, hero of the day. GPT did that? That's crazy.
Yeah,
That's
crazy.
funny. Just go double margin. There you go. Yeah, so that's the push. That's the comics open push right there. And doesn't look like we're coming back for a top wick here on the 15. So let's see how this 30-minute candle closes here in 9 minutes, and then we should be good to go.
Whatever gold wants to do.
Margin calls my stop loss. Comics. I don't know what it's called. Potato. Comics. 4-hour celery. Traders Global showing a top wick. Let's take a look on the 15. Oh yeah, a little bit of a top wick. Yeah. Let's see here. Will it go down to 1942 again? Oh yes, I could definitely see that happening for sure. Right, we want to see a closure below 1940 on this daily time frame, right? If we removed all this and we just looked at the daily, the strong, yeah, you did close below this support here, yes, but the strong support is going to be 1940 here. So if we can get a closure below that today, then look at all this range we have to come down now, right? We can come all the way down into this range, or let's say it's even just this range, right? All the way down to 1927 here. That's a nice range for tomorrow's daily candle to move in. So that closure below here is going to be our best friend, and hopefully we could see that happen, you know, by the end of today. All right, because look how many times price rejected all these times here, and then look what happened when we finally closed below with this candle. Price was able to push down, right? Push down. So would love to see a candle closure below here. Wow, I got 18,000 pips. Oh, nice. Do you or did you used to play video games? Yeah, I played video games when I was younger. Yep. Yep, I played a lot of like Need for Speed, right? Car games. Some of you guys remember that game Driver? Played that game Driver. Played what else did I play? Played obviously like Madden and NBA and MLB and all that stuff. Mario? Yeah, that's when I was really young. Yeah, Mario. Yup. I played Pac-Man. Yup, played Pac-Man. Driver, yeah, Driver 2, yep. Driver was lit. Midnight Club, yeah, I played Midnight Club, Twisted Metal, Crazy Taxi, yeah, I played all that stuff. Test Drive, yeah, I think I remember that one. Who remembers, yeah, N64, who remembers, what was it again for N64? I don't know why it's not coming to me. James Bond. GoldenEye, yeah, GoldenEye there.
And COD, right? Of course.
Yeah, obviously COD, like Call of Duty. Bond, James Bond. Gen Z don't know these games. Sega, oh man, Sega was the first one I ever got, first system I ever got. Played Sonic the Hedgehog on that thing. Some of you guys like
get me started.
Sonic?
I was obsessed with that when I was like super young.
Yeah, Knuckles, Sonic and Knuckles.
Sonic, Shadow, Knuckles, they got Tails, bro. They got all of them, bro.
Be flying, bro, collecting those coins. We been collecting coins out
The
here,
rings,
you know what I mean?
bro. Yeah.
The
we
rings,
we getting to the gold.
We been getting them rings, boy.
It's been instilled since the early days.
Are you in your 30s? Yeah, I'm 33. Damn, you're old? No, I am young, sir. I am young. I am 33 years old. Oh my God, 33 years young. See, chat's influencing me here now. 33 years young. Getting and feeling younger day by day. Feeling better and better every day in every way. Halo, I never really
Hey, it's
played.
all mental.
Yeah. Yeah, never got into Xbox too much. The clown with the ice cream truck. Yeah, I remember him. Yeah, Sonic was lit. What pair am I trading now? Gold, GJ, and the Dow here, US 30. Oh, look, let's see if we can get our support that we want here on US 30. What I do? How we doing? Oh yeah. Alrighty, let's see what we can get here. Can we get a closure belowsure? Yeah, we also have this level here. Interesting 4-hour candle here. You look somewhat like 27. Yeah. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. We got 1 minute for 8:30. Lock it in here, chat. We may get some positions. Should be able to fill this wick for about 22 pips.
I don't know. That's crazy.
Johnny boy.
He's gonna want to knock at like 12 or 11.
We'll mute him. We'll help him out. Hey, there's Uncle Scalp.
Hey. The
Hey,
aunt
buddy.
is in the building.
Hey, Uncle, are you an uncle? Are you an actual uncle? I mean,
I
you're
am
an
my
uncle to
uncle.
everyone on stream, but are you an uncle?
I actually am, yeah.
Oh, right. There you go. I was like, I never asked him that before.
Wait, do they call you
even
Uncle
am, bro.
Scout?
They do.
That'd be crazy. Yo.
They call him Uncle Scout.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Uncle Scout.
Good morning, chat.
How you doing?
Look at this.
All right, so it looks like we got a top wick here. I'm not going to enter off the flip. If this candle comes down and creates a low and then kind of flips back bullish, then we'll probably have sell stops. So it looks like we'll have about 14 pip stops. Yeah, about 14 pips. And shooting for like a 65 pip range here if we can get that. So oh, you know what? This 15 closed right at support here. Ooh, man, that's tough. Oh, yeah, you know, this 30-minute closed right at support too. Yeah, man, that actually makes it a little tougher. And the 4-hour here gave the bottom wick and now flipping, starting to flip bullish. I think we got to hold off here. Yeah, I think we got to hold off a sec. What was
It
that?
doesn't seem like the cleanest.
No, it doesn't. This area right here is very choppy. Right here. Very, very choppy area here. There's that lower wick. Let's see what happens here. She in flip mode. Full margin to buy. I can't find this pair on TradingView. You just have to go in here, hit add, and then type in XAUUSD. Oh, yeah, look at that. Once it rebroke the low there, let's see what happens now. Yeah, a little sketchy. Little sketchy. Let's see here.
Yeah, I think once the 4-hour candle closes.
Yeah.
Like that'll get way bigger, like way
Yeah,
more
yeah.
direction.
Yeah, yeah. Same. Welcome to the Roger Casino. Jumpy. Yeah, it's Jumpy Z Gamer. Up and down, up and down.
See what it does.
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we're not going to participate here because this candle closed at right at support, right? 30-minute support right there. Price is flipping all around here. There's a lot of volume in this candle, don't get me wrong. You're probably going to see a push either to the downside or the upside. The thing is, being that this candle didn't close below, we can't have a true read on it now. Now that price is pushing, we don't know if this candle wants to pull back again, keep flipping, bullish, bearish, because we never closed below that support there. So we do have a range to fill here, right? Down to 1946, 417. That range may get filled, but doesn't look like I'm going to be a part of this because it's a little Freaky Friday candle.
Yeah, 1000%. Because like, just like how you said, like it closed above, so you don't know. Like it could be a rejection, it could be a wick fill, but like you just don't know.
Yeah,
Just wait.
exactly.
And support was created last time we were in that area
Yeah.
a couple
And
times.
it's just like, look how it's moving down. It's pulling back. I don't want to be in this anyways.
This candle's quick.
Chopping around, it's quaking around.
And you just
probably got tapped at quake even already.
Gold's twerking. Yeah, we would have been out at break even already, guys.
And whenever you want to enter a position, you want to feel comfortable. Want to feel comfortable in the position. And if there's ever a trade where you don't feel comfortable in the position, where you're about to enter and you don't feel comfortable in it, then do what we say. Like, would you rather be in a trade wishing you were out, or be in a trade wishing you were in?
Yep.
Right? Or be out of a trade wishing you were in.
Oh yeah, definitely. There you go, tapped. So there's that level tapped right there. That's that support level. Very nice. Is there any free backtesting softwares? Nah. For show. Jamaican bacon till the quake settles. I'm definitely wishing I was in instead of wishing I was out. Yeah.
How about that?
US 30. US 30 didn't close below, but the next candle may. The 1 hour candle may, and the 4 hour candle may be. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. 4 hours still pretty bullish. But yeah, I think closures below here will give us a nice push down. We got a nice clean range here on the Dow that we could take advantage of here. So I would love to take advantage of this full range right here. Right in this, because it's all clean traffic now, right? All this is clean traffic to the left, and you can pretty much count on price if we do close below to fill that wick right there at least, and then fill this wick. You guys see this big wick right here? Fill that wick down there, coming at support, coming downtown. Yeah, nice push there on gold. Yeah, we knew that would happen at 8:30, right? Not a surprise or anything. Don't forget to like the stream. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this hourly candle closes. Should pull back for us, but 4 hour close is coming up here as well, so we'll see what happens. If the 4 hour does create this resistance, I think we're good to continue down, which it looks like it's going to close bearish. So yeah, I think we're pretty clean, especially if we close below here. Then the 4 hour could really come down. Right, you have a closure below, clean range to the left. This whole range should get filled here. Oh, GJ, 4-hour celery play. Yeah, I'm open to GJ sells here too. Very, very clean on the way down here. Yeah, everything's gearing up pretty nicely here.
Wait on.
The pairs are starting to come alive. GJ Khaled coming alive. GJ Khaled. Oh.
She sure looks like it.
Don't sleep on GJ.
To what?
Hey, we planned everything out, right? We already planned everything out, and we're just waiting for our plan to align with what we're looking for. A lot of patience.
Yeah, I mean, we could have easily taken this, but we didn't get a closure below, right? We got a closure below here, which was fine, but this was the main area right here. So that's what we were paying attention to. I mean, if that was the closure you were looking for, then boom, that's a money position right there. But I was a little bit weary about anything that didn't close below there. So. Oh, I learned patience and consistency. Awesome. That's what you're going to need. I like that you guys wait for the best setups. Yeah. So many double streamers here. Squiggly eyes. Took a trade on Monday because of you. It was a beautiful one. Thank you, bro. Oh, yeah, my pleasure. Yeah, beautiful trade.
What was that? The celery?
Yeah. Yeah, for me, this was a bit
Yeah, I
just
think
too
so.
choppy here, you know. Too choppy right here. But now we get a 4-hour closure here, so. 4-hour
And
close.
it didn't even close below either.
Yeah, nah, exactly. Gang, this would have been cheating our plan. If you took this and you run the playbook, you know, you didn't wait for that close below. So even if you were thinking about the 15-minute right here, that still makes 0 sense on the 30, right? You still got major level right here. So we never closed below that. There was no trade there. No trade. The move was there, yeah, but there was no trade. If it would have closed below, then yes, but it didn't.
You see it driving down now, but before, when you look left, there was a pretty good chance, right, that it could have did what it did left, right?
Yep.
Reject that area.
Mm-hmm.
It's easy to say, like, you could have got in it after the move's already done, but following your plan is the best you could do.
I took it off the 1 minute. Oh, nice. Yeah, W discipline, right? You got you got that muscle a little bit more strong there. Right? You worked out discipline today. If you let this go, you worked your discipline today. Great job. And now it'll be stronger for tomorrow. Ain't it great?
Exactly.
Hey man, do you always wait for the bar to close before entering, or do you enter the market on some area? No, I usually wait for the bar to close, and then I'll look to take my positions, because when the candle closes, it's giving you really good confirmation on which direction it wants to go. So if we don't wait, then we kind of take these impulse entries, and you never know, right? Those can go any which way. So you know, we just wait for the candles to close. If they're closing in our ranges, we'll wait for our entry. Once our entry's there, we'll execute. Where could I find the journal? Oh, exclamation point. Journal? Yeah, journal. There you go. Thank you, Classic Trader. Or is it playbook? Playbook, I think. No, journal. Yeah, journal. There it is. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, I really want GJ below here. This candle closing no. The reason I was staying out of this, because we had no bottom wick here. So if we can get a closure below 182 here, then I'll look to take my sells coming down. Same thing with the Dow here. Oh, let's see here. Don't touch it. Closer, belowser. Bring out the whole ocean. Hey, yo, Sam, we got to get that strategy thing in here. I probably could have used that twice already today. We got no strategy. Quake even? Quake even. 1K likes. Yeah, we need 1K likes by 9 a.m. Are we anywhere there near there? I honestly have not looked at anything here. Let's take a look at the subs here. Are we did we hit 13K yet? We got 2,000 people here. We should be able to get that that like count up to 1,000, but we're gonna need that ASAP, man. We only got a few minutes.
Like it up.
Like, we need that ASAP. Oh, we got 12.8K subs. 12.8K. Good. Cool. So far on GJ, we're waiting for a range to, yep. And for gold, we're waiting for a closure, yep. US 30, same thing. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, we're looking towards the 4-hour time frame here now. We want to see the 4-hour closure here. Doo-doo-doo-doo. How do I set my way straight with Christ? Message me on Discord. Send me a message. We'll chop it up. You deserve it. Hey.
Relationship.
Let's bring out the live sub count. We'll count down. Hey, you hear that guitar work there? Woo. Let's take a look at the YouTube studio here. Oh, we're creeping. Creeping. We're almost there, gang.
We can do it today, gang.
You can do it.
It's on you.
It's on you. I got the giveaways. I'm ready to go.
Happen.
I'm ready
to go too. You're locked and loaded. We've been locked in.
We've been ready.
So 13K is fund account giveaway, and is it a new mod too, or is that
Yeah.
last time?
So we're gonna do. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna do four giveaways, right? We're gonna give away $100,000 worth of challenge accounts. We're going to have 4 winners, and then we're going to select 4 new mods. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 and 2. So we're going to do 2 of the giveaways and 2 of the mods here at 13K, and then we're going to do the other 2 at 15K. So 2 mods and 2 winners are going to be here at 13, and then the next 2 are going to be at 15K. Yeah, I think we'll do that. I think we'll
Who
do
the
it.
mod's gonna be?
I like that. I like that.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
Who's gonna be vibing on
To
the
be
mod
honest, the mod thing has been really tough because there's about
Yeah, but when you make it 4, it's like I like it. It's perfect.
Yeah. So the mod choice has been very, very tough. So, but the giveaways we'll do those, you know. But the mods, man, there's certain people that probably aren't gonna make it on the 4 that we do this time, but they definitely deserve it. Like, but they'll be the next mods. You know, we'll see if they can stay consistent and rock with us and hold it down until the next one.
Like 4 mods is a lot too.
Yeah,
man.
4
You
mods
gotta
is a
understand.
lot.
For us, to make 4 people mods is a lot. So it's like,
No,
we haven't had any new ones for a good while. So like, we're due.
Yeah.
But yeah, like to roll 4 people straight into it, like bro, it'll look like
Yep.
if we don't do it at a good rate, then it'll look like the whole chat is wrenches.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
That's just me saying.
Yo,
that.
seriously.
I'm not
No, fact, you're
speaking
right.
on my behalf, not Nick's. I think
No, you're right. You are right.
Fighting for that wrench.
That wrench. Someone's gonna have a wrench. Wrench in the chat. Wrench in the chat. Can we get like levels of mods? Yeah, we might have to do that too. Like a hammer. The OGs get like, yeah. They get the whole like toolbox, like the whole pouch. Yeah, look at this pullback here. Look at that, right back up to the 15, where the 30-minute lows were, right? Or the 30-minute closure above. We come right back to that point now here. 4 hours looking pretty decent. 1 hour looks good too. I really want to see the 1 hour close below here. We still got 8 minutes left. Bring out the whole toolbox. Z Gamer, it's quaking. Yo. We do a little wrenching. These boys about to throw hands for the wrench. It's gonna be an army. Mod or no mod? I got the knife. There you go. Yeah, exactly. Give Cheryl the knife. He cooking. They take care of the spammers and stuff. Yeah, no, they do a lot of stuff. They help out so much, man. Shout out to all the mods here today. Shout out to all the mods. Well earned, well deserved. Appreciate all your help.
Mods.
I think I could speak for the community when we say that we love you and we're thankful for you guys and always helping out in the Discord and in the chat. Couldn't ask for a better group of mods here.
Facts.
And we also got to break bread together, most of us, right? We got to break bread in New York together, have a good time. We spend a little time with the mods. Hey, yo, trade like Jose, what's going on over there, bro?
Yo,
That man threw on a hoodie and
I
became a
might
cartoon.
have
Yo,
to throw hands with you, buddy.
What the hell?
Me and the Bears don't get along, bro.
Sam don't like bears, bro.
yo, my Zoom updated, so I'm like, what's so new about this? And then it said click avatar, and now I can put this when I'm like, like eating or something, because it doesn't show that I'm eating.
Oh,
Right, I can't take it serious.
man's eating celery. He's eating celeries.
I mean,
I feel like Ted's talking about something.
Yeah, I feel like that's Ted or something.
Yeah.
You're all jackasses if you don't trade and make money every single day.
Yo.
Man.
Isn't there's a funny scene in that movie where I guess he talks to the boss like no one's ever talked to him. He's like, "You're hired." He's like, "Shit."
Oh yeah, I remember that. He's
Yeah.
like, man, you're hired.
Yeah.
We need a guy like that. He tried his hardest not to get the job. The guy loved him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Jose, do you want to fight with my grizzly bear? Man, I told Sam the day I see a grizzly bear, I'm just gonna surrender. Like, just hope for the best.
Dude, I don't know. Yeah, the Grizzlies, they don't play. Dude, the Black Bears don't either. If you catch them around their cubs.
Oh yeah, you don't want to do that. Battle rap between the mods.
Have a versus.
How are we
think Sam
deciding
will win.
winners? Yeah, we'll talk about how we're deciding winners once we get to 13K. What do we got? Oh, we've moved up about 35 subs here since we last checked. Reporting to you today with live updated information on the time to eat subs. WADs, yeah, there you go. Nightbot, shout out to Nightbot too. Nightbot's a WAD.
Like Bob.
Green is my favorite mod. Hey. I don't have any favorite mods. They're all amazing. What up, FB?
We love all the.
Yeah, we love them all.
Yeah, we love all the mods. Hey, W's in the chat for all the mods. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
We're hunting for all the mods.
W's.
Yeah. Shout out the mods. Oh,
Yeah, there we go.
hey,
Jack,
yo, this
go
community is awesome, man.
Beautiful.
What
Yeah.
a freaking community this is.
You guys are the best.
Just getting, just being able to trade with like-minded traders, feeding off each other, helping each other improve. Like that's what it's about. Like this community here is making everyone better,
1000%.
giving
Yeah,
each other all
dreams.
our ideas, right? Hell yeah. It's like so dope too because we're a community of traders who all trade the same way, right? And we all like to trade the same way. So
Damn, W's are still rolling in. Shout out to the mods, baby. This is their world. I am just living in it. W's. What up, Yogi? What up, Naveen? What up, Royal Ryan's in the building? I like that name, Royal Ryan. Dark Pool's here. Hey, yo. Tandy.
Yo, LeGrand, we see you, bro. We love you, bro.
YouTube started to pay you, bro? Nah, actually, I haven't gotten paid by YouTube because I just play copyright music, so they don't like that. I don't know why. Free promotion. You are disciplined, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, I am. Yes, I am. All right, we're coming close here, gang. We got 2 minutes and 20 seconds. This 4-hour candle looks amazing. Amazing. Let's take a look to the left-hand side here. See what we got going on.
She looking clean.
Yeah, this thing looks clean, dude.
Well, I think
Looking good.
that daily candle too just now made that bottom wick.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 15-minute celery.
Lock it in.
Lock it in. Got 1 minute. Here we go. Here we go. So 4-hour candle's gonna close, gang. We're gonna need a candle. We're gonna need this thing to open up, right? It's gonna want to create a top wick here. So we're gonna wait on that, and then we'll have sell stops here. We're gonna fill that wick and potentially come on down. Looks good though. Locked and loaded. Yeah, 4 hours clean. All right, so we got a nice closure there. Nice close on the 1 hour here too. So let's see. We need to see if this candle could kind of come up a bit, right? It's the first. Oh my God! First couple seconds here. Hey yo. Hold up, gold. Hold up. Oh, 15-minute celery going on here too. Get your... Oh. All right, that taps that zone right there. Let's see what happens. 4 hour opened up right away. Just pushed down there. Wow. 1 minute. That's a 1 minute candle right there. Gold ain't playing. Gold ain't playing. That's okay. It's a-okay, chat. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Because below here we have more range, right? Below this level. Your entry is my exit. 4 hour top wick on GJ. Let's take a look. GJ never closed below that range there. The support level. Let's take a look. If we get a top wick on this 30-minute candle here, then we may be able to have sell stops here. US 30 needs a top wick also. Yeah, the 4 hour candle just opened up. Yeah, let's wait on the 15-minute close here, and then we'll see where we're at. GJ, wake up. Johnny boy, you got a fresh haircut? Ooh.
Yeah, like two and a half weeks ago.
Hold on one second.
Old season. Dirty coming, yes sir, Shad. Hey, we on whatever gold wants to do. That's what we're on. We bandwagon to the charts. We do whatever the charts want to do. Gold world, yes. Exactly right, FX. Knows. Exactly. Gold is the boss. We're having a conversation with gold right now.
Hey, we got motion with the podcast with the trading nut here, man. Been talking to I believe his name is Mark. Mark, I believe. Oh. Hey, Jose, what are we getting for dinner Saturday night? Or for, you know what? I was thinking we do it Friday night, bro.
Yeah, it's totally up to you.
Yeah. What we doing?
Whatever you're feeling, man. You name what nationality food you
Johnny
like,
Boy's
man.
coming too.
Johnny Boy, why
There.
were you not coming in the first place?
The
He was
car
gonna
ride.
chill up here. Hey, by the way,
Yeah,
Uncle Scalp,
I was gonna come.
I love your background there, bro. Looking clean. The all black and gray. Fire.
All right. Oh,
Fire.
my background.
Yeah, nah, it looks
like a
good
studio.
back there, bro.
Thanks, my
Clean.
boy.
I like black. I like that type of look.
Yo, Uncle's the goat.
Yeah, it looks really clean. Yeah, it does. Gold is
Jose.
13. Activated. How we doing here on our update? Let's take a look. Oh man, look at that. You guys are slowly making it up. We've gained another, I don't know. We're almost there.
123 more subs.
That's light. Where are you going with Jose? Oh, I don't know. We haven't discussed yet.
We're going to the moon.
Seems like me and Jose have dinner and lunch every week now.
I know, right?
Me, Jose, and Johnny Boy.
Yo, Nick, it's so crazy to think
Seriously.
that, like, you look back in March and we were like strangers just at a car meet.
Dude, isn't that nuts? Isn't that crazy? I met Jose like, I think like 2 days before I started live streaming. I think that weekend that we met, that Monday, it was going to be my first stream.
I remember you told us it was like you had the idea of streaming. You weren't even streaming yet. You were like, I have an idea. I think I'm going to do it.
Yeah.
I was like, no way. Go for it.
Yeah, dude. And here we are. Here we are.
With the motion.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hell yeah, man. Nick, I remember when you called me about it.
Yeah,
Jeez.
I don't want to sound corny, but I want you guys to know that really, man, anything is possible in life. Like, if you can see it in the mind, you can bring it to reality. And it's so real. I be telling my kids that. My kids don't even speak yet, right? But I tell them, listen, if you can see it in the mind, you could bring it into real life, gang. So trust it. Trust it. You got visions, you got goals. Find out the work that it's going to take to get there and do it, right? Do it. Visualize yourself living that life. And just keep in mind that everything, and I mean everything, first happens in the spiritual realm, and then it forms into the physical realm. So you must create it in the mind first, and then bring it to reality.
So true. So true. Once you write it down, it's already done, right? Then now all you got to do is work for it, and with time, it will come.
Yeah,
As
man.
you just continue to work for it, you will have it.
How
That's
many
why
things?
it's already done. After you wrote it down and you continue to be consistent on it, it's already done.
I can't tell you how many things it first started in the mind. First started as a vision, brought it to life. Bro, you're cringe AF. Well, I'm cringe, and I'm bringing dreams to reality. Crispy, and you're on my stream making cringe comments. Cringe, bruh. Write the plan, yes sir. Write the plan, put it in stone, make it happen. All right, cool. So let's take a look at how this 15-minute candle closes, and then yeah, we should be good. Should be Gucci. Yeah, 15. I mean, GJ, nothing yet here. Nothing yet on pound yet. And then we never got a top wick here on US 30. So we gotta wait. We gotta wait on it. But gold looking good. 15 close looks pretty good here. We get a jump start on NYSE Open, and yeah, it should be good to go.
Imagine wishing bad on others, expecting to get success yourself.
I thought you were in a trade already. Nope. Buzz blab. Buzz blab. 9:30 volume coming in. Yes, sir. Do you think we could have taken an entry with just that little top wick? Possibly. Possibly, yeah, with the 15-minute celery there. Yeah. Yeah, but the 4-hour candle, man, I never want to take entries in the first minute of that 4-hour candle because you just never know. It's not wise to do that. Bruce Buffer coming out, yeah. Yeah, let's see. We may even come up and create a top wick here. We got dudes speaking different languages in here.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's what I said. The kid was like, am I crazy? Or that's what I was thinking too, bro. I'm like, am I bugging? Is this like half English, half something else? Shout out to all the aliens in the chat. Hey Nick, I'm new to your stream. Glad to be here. Hey, I'm very glad to have you here too. Very happy to have you here. Half English, half Quaking. Yeah, that's right, the kid. That's right. Look at all you guys now. All you guys who know different languages, who are by far smarter than me. So trust me, you can get this trading thing down. But you guys are showing off now. Oh, 97 more likes. Oh my God, that's why price has not closed below, because we don't have 1,000 likes. Is that the case here? I very well believe that's the case. Hold up. Oh yeah, gang, we need 1,000 here. We need 1,000. We need that dally quick. We need a quick thou. A quick rack. Hey, we only got, yeah, we're not that far away. But that's one of our edges to taking trades after 9. So we really need that edge to line up. If we don't have that, it's like we can't take a sell, right? If we don't have a top wick. No, for real. W. GJ pushing. Gold and GJ both push down here. Very interesting. Very interesting. Everything pushing down. All right. 15-minute candle is going to close up here in a second. Not looking the hottest on the 15 unless we close below here. If we close below, we're going to enter on the next 15. If not, we're going to wait for the 30-minute time frame here. Run up them likes. Oh, 20 to go. 20 to go here. Can we get 20? Can we get 20? Oh, 19. Can we get 19 more? Do we see 19? Do I see 19 more? We got 981. 982. I see 982. Can we get 983? Can I see 983? There's 983. Can we see 985? How about 985? Anybody got 985? We got 2 more in here. Oh, 986. Can we get to 990? Can we see 990 here? 4 more to go. Can we get a 990 in the chat? 990? Can we get 990? 990. Oh, 1K. W. Round of applause, gang. Great job. Great job. Now our edge is complete, and this 15 will close below, and we will take a trade, and we will have a very, very nice day. And everyone will be very, very happy. GJ's going down? Yes, I know. I am aware. Gold sketching out a bit here, huh? Nobody's making 10% in a day. Yeah, word. What do you mean? My IG guru, my YouTube guru told me 10% should be easy. I handed him $5,000. He told me, hey, I'm going to help you see 10% every month. I promise you. There's our top wick for the dang 4-hour candle. About time. About time. Lovely. Lovely. Just wait on it. This is where patience is going to come into play here, gang. Can you be patient to wait for our grade A, high quality setup here at 9:30? Will you do it? Will you do it? My guru makes 30%. Can we get 1.1 likes? The more likes we get now, moving into 9:30, the better we do. The faster the trade, right? Sometimes you guys wonder how come 9:30 was great. It was the final, you know, it hit TP, but man, that thing was sleeping, and that's because we didn't have over 1K likes, right? So the more likes we get, the quicker the move. What do you mean I can't be a millionaire trading one day?
Madden.
I double my account every weekend. What's crazy to me is how people try to downplay price action. In the beginning of the stream, Nick's top-down analysis was pretty much predicted. Yeah, pretty much predicted what would happen, and we watched it happen. Yeah, exactly. Yep. Let's go back to the top-down analysis. Let's go back to the top-down. What did we talk about here? What did we talk about? Oh, we were talking about 1940 there. All right. Oh, fake out here. All right, we were talking about a fake out there. I think we drew something here too, right? Oh, what are we doing there? We're drawing price action. I skipped it. Wait, which pair is this? Oh my god, we had arrows on arrows on arrows here. Oh, there it is. That's what we drew out earlier, in case anyone didn't think we knew the sells were coming. Huh. 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 Interesting. Interesting, huh? Little off, but, you know, we got the point.
Parents.
Nick lost it. GJ, can we get the closure belowsure that we're looking for? And this thing's still, US 30 stuck. It's stuck, gang. Every time we look at it, it's right here. Thing's stuck. We do a little time traveling. We do a little time traveling. When will you post more learning videos? Very, very shortly, actually. I got them. They're cooking up. I've got some recorded ones. Now that I got my new setup and all that, I decided to start making more videos. TTE can see the future. Yeah. You're a prophet of trading. I already shorted the gold. Beautiful. Are they going to be on YouTube? Yeah, I'm going to drop them on YouTube.
Hey, YouTube Shorts.
Oh yeah, all those reels that I've been posting on IG, I'm gonna add them to the YouTube Shorts as well, because there's a lot of really good knowledge in there. Some of you guys should go to my IG and go check those out.
Very good knowledge.
Hey, what do you know? Here it comes. Here comes the top wick. Yeah, check it out. Check it out. That's my IG right here. Make sure you're on the right Instagram and not the wrong Instagram. But these right here, got some golden nuggets in there for y'all. And we're just going to keep them coming. We're going to keep them coming. You really need to tighten up. Yeah, you guys can follow me here on IG. I will never message you first with my handy dandy copy trader. I will never ask you to send me Bitcoin. Never, ever, ever. You dropping a Forex lifestyle? Yeah. You guys want to see my Forex lifestyle? It'd be me laying down on my kitchen floor with my kids like jumping on me. Pulling my hair and stuff. New to the stream. Love the energy. Y'all are pushing P's over here. Yes, sir. You already know. Positive energy and patience. Thank you, Mr. Hustle Hard. Pushing P's, baby. Pushing P's.
Hey.
Day in the life of a time to eat guru. I already bought the copy trader from Nick XXL33. Yo, that's too funny. Yeah, you'll pretty much see me going to the gym, hanging out with the time to eat elite guys, coming back home, running around, crawling on the floor with my kids, doing all that stuff, you know. Pushing prayer, baby. Yeah, I love that. Pushing prayer, K1 Beats. I'm new to the stream. Good evening from Malaysia. Hey, KNFX. Glad to have you here tonight. I don't know what to do, bro. I don't know what I'm doing, man. Activated sell stop. Oh, nice. Nick is running the show. The real traders of Tampa Bay. I don't know how many other traders there are in Tampa. I got to go down to like Naples so we can get a reality TV show going on down there.
Yeah, that'd be funny. Just get some random drama going on.
It's a movie down there. It's a movie. I don't know what's going on in the water down there for traders.
I think Miami's the city like where everybody it's crazy.
Oh yeah. Pushing pips. Oh, can we get a close here? Yeah, we need a closure. Gang, if we have a closure below here at 9:30, we're in this. We're in this. Let's take a look to the left-hand side here. Let's see where the 4-hour candle could potentially go here. Let's yeah, I like this. I like 1938 here. 1939 for this 4-hour push, man. Looks good.
Yeah.
Looks real
It's
good.
fair.
Look at how many times the 4-hour candles have come into these zones here. Yeah, buddy. So lock it in here, chat. We may have a position coming up in 5 minutes. 5 more minutes. This is going to be the best position of your life. I'm new here from India. First impression, great stream and great team. Oh, thank you. Yeah, we do have a great team here. The team makes the stream. The team makes the stream makes the team. Summer's a sleeper. Yeah, Chandra, you're right. Sleep. Say what? When you lose a trade, do you immediately try to make the losses back? Never. Never. I mean, I used to do that, but that, in the famous words of Vant Trader, that becomes a downward spiral. So I don't do that no more. Even on my next trade, I won't force a trade, and even no matter when the next trade comes, right? Whether it's that day, whether it's that hour, whether it's the next day, whether it's 2 days after that, it's a completely new trade, right? And as a trader, you have to have a very short-term memory. And I'm going to trade each trade for what it's worth. And if I lose 3% and I only make 1% back on the next trade, that's totally fine. I know that I'll catch up to it. Yeah, that happened recently too, right? We took a few losses there, so I'm catching up right now here. Down 2% on my account here. Come on, 30 minute. Slow motion better than no motion. Yes, sir. That's correct. Correctamundo. What's your RR ratio? 1 to 1. 1 to 1 or more, you know. But if I got at least a 1 to 1, I'll take that trade. Wondering how many times you follow up on your elites? Huh? Just kind of wait until they brush off? I'm not too sure what you mean by that, Z trades. Y'all smell that? I smell it, Red. I smell it. Love from Mexico. Hey, what up, David? Slow drip. How many trades in a row have you gone without a trade in your trading journal? Oh, I think the most we ever went without a trade was like 3 days. Use prop firm or your own money. I recommend. I use prop firm. I don't use my own money anymore. Yeah, I don't use my own money no more. Oh man. Yo, what's up? New to the stream. Hey, what up, Chino? Chino FX in the building. Thanks for coming by here, bro. Hey, if you're not subbed to the channel, gang, subscribe to the channel now. We are creeping on 13K subs. We want to get this done. We want to get it done. We got some giveaways. We got some mods. We want to get it done. Check the subs, Nick. Oh, did we break? Did we break? Let's check them out. Let's check them. Let's check them here. Oh, we're
right
creeping. Creeping. 12-9. 12-9 in the house. 12-9. All right, we're just waiting here. It doesn't look like we're going to get
today.
that closure here on gold. Oh, US 30 came up and made a top wick here. Yeah, let's see this gold close here. Did we come up and make a new high here? I don't think we did, right? Oh yeah, look, gold's opening up now. Pushing right out the gate. No top wick here yet. Tell your mom to sub. Let's have a look at pound yen here too. Oh yeah, just shy. What about US 30? US 30, 30-minute close, very weak. Very, very weak, bullish. Yep, gotta wait here. Price is not able to make a decision just yet. So notice how we're chopping around here now. We're just chopping. But we should see volume here on this candle. What I want to do is I want to see if we can get a 15 closure, and then we'll execute on that 15. Maybe even a 5. Maybe even a 5 in this situation. Because look, below is very, very clean. Very clean. But we'll sit tight. 15-minute close bullish. 30-minute close bearish. So still in a state of confusion here, right? Price is still in a little bit of a state of confusion. We got a support right here to the left, right? We don't want to overlook that. This has been the goal right here, right? To close below that range. So just wait on it. Or you're more than welcome to take whatever it is your heart so desires right now. Yeah, gold's hanging out. Yep, that's right, TK. Oh, where are the elites? Oh. Yeah, a lot of them are funded, man. A lot of them got funded. A few of them got paid out already. Some are still in the process of getting paid out. Some of them are just starting funded challenges now. Like some of the newer guys. So yeah, there's all different mixed, like people are all in different kind of spaces, right? Choppy range, yeah. Choppy. Can we get a closure on GJ? I never understand why you guys want me to like when you say GJ, like, you guys know what I'm waiting for, right? You guys know I'm not breaking my rules for this, right? You know, if you feel good about this position and it's a position that you want to take, you don't have to yell GJ. Just take your position, right? You know I'm not taking that position because I'm waiting for a closure below that support. So this candle never closed below that support, right? So if remember, I'm just a YouTube guy, right? So if this position looks clean to you and it matches with what you got going on, then take it. You know, take it, man. Don't hesitate. For me, I needed a closure below the range. Still do. Still need a closure. You know, like when I was on someone's stream, I would never, like, if I was looking at this, I wouldn't be like, yo, GJ. Like, I would just take my trade. You know? Someone's in timeout now. Yeah. Yeah, that's weird. I'm with you, Nick. Gang, understand Johnny's wise words. We are profitable off the trades we don't take.
Oh, true. The non-playbook setups.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Back up we go. Breaking 30-minute highs here on gold. Oh, man. Oh, man. Smelling like no trade. Nick, them blue light glasses are styling. Oh, thanks, Brooks. Gold, you sandbag.
Scott.
Without getting banned because people don't want to answer the question, Nick, how come your deposit on MetaTrader is perfectly even at 100K? Usually that means demo. Well, it's a funded account. Yeah, it's a funded account. It's a live funded account here. So it always goes back to 100K. Yeah. All right, let's get that off. Activated on the home. Could you please check US 30 again? Yeah, let's take a look. US 30. Oh, look at this. Gold and US 30 are now both pushing up. And GJ's pushing down. Now we are talking. Yeah, US 30 is oh yeah, not bad here. Yeah, if we can get a bullish closure here, maybe looking to take buys coming up. Very bullish here on the day. Oh yeah, US 30 did break these lows. That's right.
Yep.
Oh yeah. I think scratch that. Yeah, we are bullish on the day, but we did break all these lows. I forgot about that. And we may be creating a resistance to come back down. So we'll see. We'll see about US 30 here. Gold stuck. Da. 1 hour celery play on gold. 1 hour. Possibly. Maybe. How much do you risk percentage-wise in your funded account? Well, I open up 10 lots, so whatever the stop loss is, that's what I'm going to be risking. So if it's 20 pips, I'll be risking 2%. If it's 30 pips, I'll be risking 3%. So yeah, usually my limit is about 35 pips. And then if we get that, then I'll just, if we have a really nice trade setting up and we have like 40 pip stops, then I'll just lower my lot size. Yeah, gold's making that 4-hour top wick. You know, that's why I didn't want to jump on this too early, because I've been in this session at this time many times, and very rarely will gold continue all the way down for the day without making that top wick. You know, if it makes a top wick in the first 1 minute, very sketchy. Which prop firm do you recommend? My Forex funds. Nick, I come to find that I have conclusion about bias or opening a trade too soon. What are where you look at it in more depth? Any advice? I would I would watch my playbook, the playbook video. And that way you can kind of see how we look to enter positions and what, because you know, you have to have an entry, right? You have to have a entry signal. And if you're entering trades too early, that just tells me that you're just you just need to work on that, finding that entry signal, right? So maybe our playbook video will help you out. If you just hit a exclamation point playbook, you can learn a little bit about our setups and exactly how we look to take our, and where we look to take our entries. And I think that may be able to help you out, because when you're very defined on where your entry will be, now you're never guessing, or you're never entering trades too early, never entering them too late. You're just always entering them right on time according to your plan. So I would recommend checking the video out. Go below resistance. Playbook, there it is. Will you sell in the 15-minute on gold? Yeah, if we get a closure below here, yep, we'll take that position. Because listen, although that I understand that it's 9:45, which is what? It's the last 15 minutes of the 1 hour candle, right? But this 9:45 is a little bit different than like a 15-minute, like 8:45, right? 8:45 is the last 15 of the 4 hour. It's the last 15 of that 1 hour, right? And 9:45, yeah, it's the last 15 of the hour, but guess what? It's also the second half of the NYSE open candle. So typically you will see the volume continue at 9:45, because that is the second half, right? If 9:30 opens up and that's the session open where volume comes in, it continues to run throughout that 30-minute candle. And that second half of the candle is a pretty good opportunity to enter into a position to catch that move for 9:30 if you weren't able to catch it on the you know, on the opening of the 30-minute candle. So yeah, it's all about timing. And look, we broke the high here, so that's good.
Take these nuggets, chat.
Yeah, we broke the high. So if we broke this high and then we close below, you will see you'll see 1941 here. So technically you would have about 5 to 7 losses before your prop would blown with 2% risk. Yeah, I guess if that's the math, then yeah. What do you think of Vantage? Who's that? Oh, Vantage, the broker, right? I never used them, so I'm not too sure. Is gold and US 30 related? They might be cousins. Nah. Yeah, I mean they're both you know, sitting in front of the US dollar here, so they're not totally related though.
Yeah, like they're both asset classes, so they're both treated like that. But there's different things that are gonna make them move differently, right? Like, if Microsoft like decides they want to fire 50,000 employees, it's not gonna do anything to gold. But it's gonna make US 30 start bleeding. So like, there's different things. They're not gonna move exactly the same all the time, but the general direction is usually the same. Yeah.
That boy's in the penthouse today. Jose's in the cathedral over here, and Sammy boy's in the penthouse. Looks like Sunny Isles. Man's above the water. Is that a plane flying
Hey,
by?
where is
Wow.
that penthouse located? Do you know, Sam?
Sick.
I Google best Zoom backgrounds.
No way.
Yeah, this is like I scrolled 3 times and I seen it and I said that looks good. Almost looks kind of real, bro. I like
Nah, it actually looks
Close.
pretty official.
Huh.
See, gang, everything could be faked.
it. Crazy, bro.
Let's see here. Oh, do you think it's good to be in a trade for a few hours, although it's floating around your entry? I tend to close, then see price shoot in my direction. Yeah, so maybe hold it more, right? Hold it. You know, if you've been right about the direction, then you're onto something, right? Now you just gotta time it right. You know, maybe price floats around your entry because maybe you're getting in at a time where there's not a lot of volume, and then once the volume comes in, that's where you typically will see that push. That used to happen to me, and then I just said, you know what? Why not just wait for the volume? Right? Why not wait for the volume? You may get a higher or lower entry, but you'll get a push quickly, and you'll be done with it. Right? You'll make your money and go. So we got 13 minutes, yeah, for the 1 hour close. We may have a 1 hour celery play. You know, if we can close below this range here, then we can still look to take our sells coming down. If we do close above, then what I would probably do is I would wait for a candle to push up, and right, if we close above, maybe take our buys right here, going up. Clean traffic to the left. Right in here is all choppy, remember? Very, very choppy. So if we get a closure above here, and then we could take our buys coming back up. Now we got a 4 hour top wick though. So if we break that low again, very high chance we go down. I'm up $2. Oh, nice. Congrats. Which account type would you use? Evaluation. Yeah, evaluation. How many subs till 13K? We got 12,915. So we need what, 85? That is light. I think we got over 2,000 people here today. So if you aren't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're giving away, we're doing some challenge account giveaways here today if we can crack 13K subs. So if you're not subbed to the channel, don't just sub for the giveaway, but come pull up on us every day. If you're struggling, it's a good place to sit and learn and ask questions and just become better, right? Get sharper in the craft. And over time, as you get sharper in your craft, you will start to see consistent, profitable results that you're looking for. And when you get those consistently profitable results that you're looking for, guess what? Now you could do some of the things that you've been wanting to do with life for a long time. And life gets really cool and really fun really quick.
And don't just sub and hit that bell.
Hit the bell. Hit the bell, man. Hit the bell.
Dong.
Hit the bell. Oh yeah, you can't hear it, right?
Oh no, did you do it? Yeah.
Tell him, bring me my money.
Tell them to bring me my money. Tell them to bring out the whole ocean.
My bad. Some of you guys just turned your headphones up. Down immediately.
Tell him, bring me my money.
Tell him, bring me my money. Hello, I've used all the things you show here and I can say I am starting to understand how the thing works. Oh, beautiful. That is the goal here, man. That's my goal, right? That's my goal, to really kind of take the knowledge I have, right? And then the knowledge that you have. Man, a lot of you guys are much smarter than me in other areas of life, but we're talking about trading right now, right? My knowledge is up here, your knowledge is down here. The goal of this stream is to transfer that knowledge, right? To make people independent people and can do things on their own and go out and live the life they want to live, right? Without depending on a boss or a streamer or whatever, right? So that's the mission here. Oh, nice. Hit the bell. They hit the bell now. Just wondering, do streamers follow the same script? Yes. The streamer script is right here. It's on my wall. I have to make sure I'm following it. Live streamers, all 3 streamers. Damn, you're watching 3 streamers. That is talent. That is a skill set right there. How can you watch 3 streamers with 2 ears? That's what I used to try and watch Don and Raja, and I got like nauseous. So to watch 3, bro, that's impressive. But on the same subject, seems like script, hit the bell, same time now. Oh, wow. So all 3 of us hit the bell at the same time. Sheesh. Wowzers. Play the trolling one.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called We Do a Little
Oh yeah,
Trolling.
let me get that new one too.
Yeah, yo, get that
Let
one.
me get the new one.
That
We
one
got
I
a new
could have
one,
used
chat.
like 4 times today.
Yeah.
Took the E off emotion and kept the motion. Yo, I like that one. That's dope. I got magic keys today. Oh, nice. Bro unlocked his 3rd eye of pocket. Rajan, who? If you can find it, you can find it. Oh, 80 missing. Oh, we need 80 now. Oh, nice. Show them how they look when they're stream hopping. Let me see if I can find the image here. Yeah, this is what stream hoppers look like right here. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. That's what they look like right here. This guy. Hey man, been watching you. Been watching this guy. I'm really learning a lot. Thanks for all the help. Really appreciate it, man. Been learning from you and so. I'm killing it now. Killing it.
Yeah, it's funny.
That's the double stream watchers look.
There we go.
Hey. Wait on it.
Dude, Jose's trying to fast forward us to the Matrix, bro.
Yo,
We all
Jose,
here
what
with
the-
AI avatars, bro. Yo.
Yo.
You look so real though.
Yo, that actually is crazy. What the hell?
It's just crazy that it like mimics you. I don't think it looks real at all. I think it looks creepy, bro. I think it's like, imagine like in the future, that's how people were like all gonna be online, looking at each other.
Yo, word. That'd be
Like, that's what I'm saying,
weird,
bro. Trying to fast forward us to the Matrix.
yeah. Yeah, dude.
That's like that one movie. Remember that one movie? Where they were like hooked on just running home and like playing with this virtual game or whatever it was. I forget the name.
Yeah, it sounds like some people in real life, bro.
Yeah,
I gotta
it
get
really
home. I
does.
gotta grind, bro. Gotta get
Literally.
on the game.
Yeah.
2K ain't gonna play itself.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Ready Player One.
Yeah, that's it. Ready Player One. Yep, there it is.
The boy Red. Red FX. The question is, who said I was real?
It's
We ain't
true.
heard that in a minute. Yo, I love the Trump one. There you go. There you go, Tyler.
Just wait on it.
Oh man.
Oh, did you get it?
I miss hearing the sounds.
Some of you guys asked about our strategy.
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
Oh man. That's comical, Sam. Thank you, Sam. Thank you very much.
Strategy.
I played it.
Yep.
Damn, I wish I could hear it.
I was just listening to it. Yeah, there's no strategy. I wish I could like turn it down. He's standing right next to a jet.
I know.
You can hear it. Plain as day.
We like to troll. We do a little troll. Okay, can we get a closure here? Can we get a candle to close below? That is the big question here in the next 3 minutes. That is the topic of conversation. RIP eardrums. Play it again. I'll lower it a little bit.
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
Zero strategy here again. Oh man, some of you guys say some funny stuff. Some funny stuff. Thank you for making my trading session so exciting.
Yes.
Okay,
Red
GJ.
FX. Make America quake again.
Make America quake again. Boring market today. A little bit, yeah. What are we gonna do, right? All right. Everything going back down. Gold coming. GJ coming back up. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do, eh? Let's keep an eye on this 1 hour candle here too. GJ potential closure on the 15:30 and 1 hour. Yep. Hey, what do you think? It is a buy on Euro USD? Yeah, I think so. Let's give him some side. Yeah. Oi! Come on, gold, close below. So we could have a party here today.
Yo, I heard that. Oy.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, we really wanted to get in positions right here, but we didn't get that closure, right? We wanted to take advantage of this 8:30 candle today. We knew that that was going to be the driver, but we just fell a little shy of the mark there. So, congrats to everyone who was disciplined though, and you exercised that discipline muscle there. Job well done.
Bravo.
That's what it's going to take long term. Oh no, there was news. Oh wait, are we talking about GJ or gold? We had some gold. We had some news on the dollar here. Really exhausting day. I know I'm beat. I'm beat, man. This job wipes me out. 15 seconds. Can we push down? Can we get a push? Can we get a push? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Doesn't look like we're going to get a closure on gold. How about pound yen? Oh, look at this. Would you look at this? Oh, closed above. Closed above for pound yen. No bueno. No close above. If both closures, which one do you enter on? Gold. Goldie, goldie, goldie. 15. Yeah. We'll see if we can get another attempt at it at 10:15 here. Trolling. Man, I wish I could be disciplined like you. You can. You can. 100%. Yeah, so if we can get a closure below here at 10:15 here, we will look to go for the money. All right, we'll trade this zone right here. We got clean traffic to the left-hand side, but we need to get a close below. And that's the 30-minute support. That's also the 1-hour support as well. So can't do nothing until we close below at this point. One-hour close on US 30 here too. Broke the lows right away. Wow. Wow. Is gold spot as same as US? Yeah, gold is XAU USD. Yep. Oh, 68 subs until 13K. Oh, wow. Almost there. If we close below, yeah, you should see a lot of volume. Yep. At what time do you call it a day? Usually 10:30's most likely my cutoff. And then what I'll do is I notice that there'll be volume around noon. So sometimes I'll look back and see if we could take advantage of that. Like yesterday after stream, we almost had a position, but there was like two things that didn't really line up too well. Did you mark up your zones on the 30 or the 1 hour? Well, the support that we're looking at here is both the 1 hour and the 30 support. So yeah, I use both depending on what we're looking at, what we're waiting for. Like right now we're leaning towards possibly taking a position off the 15-minute time frame, right? So if we're going to do that, we have to make sure we're using 15 time frame scenarios, right? And understanding what that candle could do. If we do close below, there's very, very clean traffic to the left-hand side that we will look to take advantage of. And that'll basically be the move, right? Break even would be probably right around 1943 here. And then, you know, closing partials around 1942 and then holding the rest to see if we can get the drive. So we'll see if we can get that closure. We got about 10 minutes. Just taking notes? Yeah, no problem. No problem. That's what we're here for. Keep asking, man. Keep asking good questions. Is it worth taking more trades? I have small trades in from 1952. Oh, beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Is it worth it? Yeah, I mean, it's worth it for me. If the candle closes below here, that's worth it for me. Hello. Hey, Micah. Does Forex make you enough money to survive? Oh, more than enough. Yeah, more than enough. Hey, Nick. How do you place your stop loss after you place a trade? No. I always place my stops before. But if you're asking how to get in, I believe you just gotta... If you're using MT4, MT5, you just have to hover over your entry point, click on it, and then drag your stop to wherever you want it. Yeah. We got clean range here. Open sea here for us, but we need a closure belowsure.
A little weight on it or skate on it.
Skate on it.
Yard.
Oh, 4 hour broke the lows here. Push it back up. Yeah, it's sketchy, right? Didn't get that candle to close below. And now price is pushing up here. Okay, thanks, man. I'm 120 profit. I'm new, just a small investor, but I can tell you know what you're doing. So I'm going to... Oh, nice. Awesome, man. Good job. Good stuff. TFT just released a trade manager to go alongside their accounts. Oh, that's cool. What, like a psychologist or something? Yeah, a lot of firms are starting to pick that up. Some of you guys ever watch Billions? They had the chick in the office. That's how a lot of firms are too. They'll have like psychologists chilling in the office. So you place your stop loss by pips or above, below previous candles. Yeah. So every trade's gonna be a bit different, but like, let's say, you know, like let's say we're taking a trade here. I would either place it above the previous high or I would place it above the current high. So that's how I usually do stops, right? So in this case, if we were to get in a position right here, I would look at this high and I would say, how many pips is it? 15? Perfect. I would leave my stop loss there. I would put my target down here, and that's how I would determine my stops. Now, that's going to be previous candle stop. Now, if I wanted to use the current candle stop, I would just have to wait for a top wick and then take my position, right? So let's say we got this top wick. I could just keep my stops above there. So I can make the stops just a little bit tighter. But it is a time and a place for both. In my opinion, if we can use the previous candle stops, that's going to be the best, right? It's going to be the most logical. But sometimes, you know, those stops are a bit too big, right? They're 40, 50 pips, so it's tough to use stops like that. Do you use SMC? No. You could take trades on the 20-minute if you want. Yep. How long have I been trading? Since early 2019. If you like free stuff, subscribe. If you want to win a chance to a free funded account, subscribe. Yeah, that's true. Very, very true. Ooh, look at gold pushing down. If we could pull back here, this is lovely. If we can get a pullback here, we got a wick to fill and then clean traffic to the left. That's going to be perfect. We got 5 minutes here on this 15-minute candle. Let me go grab some more water and I'll be right back.
Any fundamental explanation of why gold rose big at 6 p.m. yesterday, even when there was no news? Yeah, it was just the gap up in the market. So like if you look so I'm assuming you're looking at the Yolanda chart. If you look at, it might be on your broker, but that was just a gap up in the market. There's not really an explanation for it. There's just during that period of time that the market's closed, massive influx of gold buyers. But on Oanda charts, whenever you get a gap in the market, it'll leave just one massive clean traffic candle, right? Because that's what gaps are in the market anyways. They're clean traffic.
They're
15 fake out would have been good. Yeah, I was looking at that. The only thing is we barely got a top wick here. Yeah, we need to see a pullback.
Yo, I'll have to look into that, Caleb. That could be another reason. Like, that could be the reason why there was such a big gap. So I'll have to look into it.
I was putting timeout. Who did I offend? Oh, no, not Rafi. No. He might have got put in timeout by accident. Whoops. Oh, man. Look at this. Just pushing here. Wow. Wow. 1 hour showing no mercy. Yeah, gang, we should have been in this from at 8:15. We would have taken this trade if we didn't have news, and we would have pretty much rode this whole thing down. But we did have news. Still got really clean traffic here. Still got clean traffic. Gold is running. W analysis. Yeah, I think we were right on the money here. This is good though, because if gold on the daily can close below 1940, oh baby, that's gonna be lovely, lovely, lovely. Yeah, today's candle is gonna be the decision maker here too. So yeah, it looks clean. Yeah, I think we got more room to go here on gold, especially if we want to close below 1940 here today. This 15 got to pull back though. What's going on? Yeah, we should have a huge month, man. Yeah, let's take a look at the NASDAQ. Oh yeah, nice move there. Yeah, I don't think we didn't do an analysis here for NAS 100 right today. Yeah, I don't think we did one. But oh yeah, that would have been nice. You got a closure below. Nice clean move down. Lovely. Very nice move. Very nice move at 10 a.m. here. GJ struggling. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. Sleeper here. Sleeper. Yeah, 15 closing, no bottom wick. No bueno. Yeah, there was a fake out right here. Yep. Yup. Yeah, I was thinking about taking advantage of this fake out here, but we had no top wick and we had very, very choppy traffic here to the left. See this box right here? That's what I wanted to avoid. Very nasty area there, but price pushed down. Price pushed down. GJ closed bullish. US 30. Oh my goodness. Everything's running here today. Literally. Everything's running here in the first like seconds of candle opens here. Look at this. There's that full target tap, gang. So that was the daily. That was the push we were looking for. Yeah, on the 15 minute. So probably going to be the day there. Yeah, probably going to call it. Yep, because now you're going to want to see gold pull all the way back before coming back down. I think we let this thing now close today. And we see if we get an official closure below 1940 here. If we can get that closure, man, tomorrow's going to be a very exciting day. Very exciting day.
Yeah, I was literally just going to say that. I think that over the next couple days, gang, we're going to see some good days.
Yeah.
Right, just looking at the higher time.
Oh, yep.
Yep. Let it cook.
Oh, it's going to be a big month. Big month.
Yeah.
What's that weekly looking like now, too?
Yeah, no, the weekly is looking right spot on how we think it's going to look, right? We're expecting to see this weekly candle here, right here, do something like this. Come down. Head and shoulders. Hey, where'd John go?
I don't know. He was just here a second ago.
Oh,
Dude, Jose, that thing is creepy, man. He looks up, looks to the side, the thing looks around.
dude, his eyes move.
His eyes move,
Like-
his mouth, everything.
It's funny. Look. When I'm not looking at the camera, it's like staring at people's soul.
Yo, chill,
Yo,
bro. That is
dude,
crazy,
staring into
bro.
my soul.
Yeah, what?
All right, enough of that.
Look at this thing. Pushing. Pushing.
It's staring in your soul, bro.
I feel like the animal is like a little bit more friendly.
Freaking gold.
Yeah,
What
man.
the hell?
Yup, driving here.
Pushing,
There she goes.
Pushing.
I told you this 1 hour is
Shouldn't you want
lethal
top
here. Lethal. Yeah. Hey, where do we expect the 4-hour candle to go, gang? Right? We're driving. We're
Hey,
driving.
we're right on everything. Right on the direction. Just couldn't get that entry.
Yeah, just couldn't get the entry. He looks like the time to eat logo guy. Should see if you can get that guy up there.
That would be crazy, bro. Yo, you'll have to do that. Get like a 3D animation, bro. I don't want to give him the sauce on stream, bro. If you do like an intro or something, get it like 3D
Hey, chat.
animated, the logo, bro.
Yeah. By the way, we're about to shake the industry. We're working on a few things right now that you guys are gonna see it real soon, but we're about to shake up the industry, chat.
Just wait on it.
Just wait
Bring it.
on it. Sam and Jose, I gotta talk to you guys after
Alright.
the stream. Man, look at this clean traffic to the left, bro.
Yeah, if you'd like, Nick, let me call my pilot. I'll have them pick up Sam, and then we can have a little meeting at.
Yeah, I'm gonna have him
At
open
West
up
Palm
the
Beach.
runway actually up on top here.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
You think you could get like a helicopter to the airport actually?
Send
Because I got my pad over here,
Send
and then he could just land on the pad, and then we could fly over to the airport, and then I could take the jet, and then I can meet you guys.
There you go.
Yeah, it's actually better because my helicopter pilot is in Vegas right now. I told him to take the 2 weeks off. He's still getting paid, so.
Yeah, of course. Awesome, bro.
Ayy.
Yeah.
Fucking love it. Surround yourselves with winners, chat.
Yeah, surround yourself with guys who talk like that. Some days I get messages from my
Yeah.
buddy. He goes, "Bro, I made 20K overnight." I'm like, let's go.
Yeah. Let's go.
I'm a million funded the other morning. I wake up. I'm a million funded. I go, oh man, that's some inspiration first thing in the morning. Send the chopper. Hey, we got clean range here, chat. Don't leave just yet. We got clean traffic coming on down. 1934 is on the horizon. Don't leave the time to eat channel just yet. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be very nice. Very nice tomorrow. I've been waiting for that 1940 closure. I think we were talking about that last night, right, Jose? 1940.
We were, yeah.
Yeah.
Before price decided to just skyrocket with no bottom wick. That's the most volume I've seen on an Asian session ever.
Time to sleep. Yeah, right. Time to eat yet? Yeah, hopefully you guys have been eating the nuggets up all stream. These guys have dropped a lot of good gems here this stream. Don't let FOMO get the best of you guys. Yeah, don't do it. These are the type of trades that would make you want to break your plan. Don't do it. It ain't worth it. It's not a real win if you don't follow the plan. Exactly. Exactly. That's why that's why I don't even care much about this trade right here, because we knew gold was going down, right? We knew that was going to happen. But yeah, there was no entry. There was no trade for us. 930, we would have loved to take advantage, but price closed in this choppy range here too. Just kind of floated around there until this freaking bleeder. This bleeder at 10. Um, 30-minute close below on GJ. Nope. Still got 6 minutes. Yeah, if we don't get a position here in 6 minutes, we're gonna call it a day. What website am I on here? Tradingview.com. What's happened with those? Nick, is it possible to keep the MT5 screen while in a trade if we get in? Yeah. Yeah, I'll keep the MT5 screen up so you guys can make sure your numbers are all lined up, but I like to keep this one up too so I can make a cool little reel after the stream. But yeah, I'll leave that up so that way you guys can see the stop loss and TP and all that good stuff. You taking positions after you end the stream? Maybe. Maybe. We got 50 left. Oh, for the 13K. Oh, nice. $1.2K likes. Oh, wow. I'm flattered. Oh, beautiful. Thanks, guys. Thank you, gang. NFP. NFP's on Friday. Guys, don't miss Friday's stream. Seriously, do not miss Friday's stream.
Definitely don't.
Nick, tell everyone where the subs are at. Oh, let's refresh. Let's refresh. Oh, 10 more. If you guys aren't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel so we can give away $100,000 worth of challenge accounts. $100,000.
You say 10 more?
10 mo. 10 mo.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
Yeah, we'll probably do the we got 4 minutes. We got 4 minutes. Give it to me, son. I'm poor and in need of some green. Trulin. Thoughts on GJ? I'm waiting for a closure below here on pound yen. Doesn't seem to want to close below. Freaking gold, man. Come on, gold. I needed to make money today. Nick getting excited.
Yeah, because it's 50.
Oh, 50.
Yeah, you go. That's all.
Oh, duh. What did I say? 10?
That's all I get. 10 more?
Oh, damn.
I
Yeah,
knew the
50.
chat was going to start quaking, bro.
Yeah, you see that?
They said it. They seen it.
There we go. Yeah, look, we would have had it right there. We would have had
That's
one. We would have been.
calm,
We need one more, gang. One more.
Yeah, don't make fun of Nick. He's looking at the numbers all day.
Yeah. I might not do
That's
math
why-
that
that's
well,
why
but
we
I
just
could.
say, oh, okay.
I could damn sure trade. You know.
Yeah. That's all right. 10 more? Yeah, it sounds good.
If you did math the way you traded, you'd be in trouble. All right. Yeah, this candle's probably gonna close with no wick.
On a daily today, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I got magic keys. Yep. Do the math for me. We talk about math? We talking about math? That's why I stayed away from trading for a little bit. I thought you had to be like a mathematician here to participate in the markets, man. Thought I had to have like 90 screens up, fill my whole wall up with screens, have my
Dude, I don't know,
eyeballs
I
bleeding.
feel like if you trade options, you might have to, like, a little bit. I'm not too sure though. I've not really done it, but they got like the thetas and the deltas and gammas and whatever. Like, I don't really know like exactly what it all is, but it's like the amount of the math that it takes, because like if you have an option, like it'll decay the value of it over time. and that's like a theta or a delta or something. I don't know, but I feel like, yeah, you get my point. I'm getting confused just thinking.
Nah,
about
it's
it.
crazy. It's crazy to think though, like how simple strategy really is though. When
Right.
you get it,
Yeah.
when you really get it, like when you really understand the concepts, it becomes really simple.
Oh yeah.
And
All
days like
right.
today,
Yeah.
days like today really just show how good our disciplined patients are. Really, like it really tempts us in those areas, and we get to prove to ourselves that we are good in those areas.
Yeah, man. 3 years ago, oh my God, there was no way I could sit this thing out. No
Yeah.
way.
Exactly.
I'd be mad all day that I missed this move. But remember, if you don't have your playbook set up, it's not your move, right? So you didn't miss anything. If the move didn't show, then you didn't miss it.
Can't miss a move that's not yours.
Yeah. Yep. So gold is done here for the day. Not going to take a look at gold. This is pretty much the point in which I was looking to take profit. So, but we did get a closure here on pound yen. So let's take a look here at GJ and see if we can possibly execute. All right. Yeah, I think I'm going to have sell stops here on pound yen. Hold on. Let's go to GJ. Oh, yeah, I forgot the hour is still open here. Yeah, I'm a bit sketched out on the hourly candle, though. That's the thing here with GJ, because if we notice on the 1 hour, we've never been able to close below yet. So this candle and the 30-minute, the 1 hour candle before that never closed below either. So this gets pretty tough here. This gets pretty tough. Yeah, I would be much more comfortable seeing a 1 hour candle close here. Because look, this could happen. This candle can push all the way up now, just like the last candle did. So yeah, it gets
And the 4 hour seems to like starting to reject too.
Yep.
Down there.
Yep. Yeah, the 4 hour may not want to close below either. 1 hour close below.
Not too
barely.
far. There's 30-minute support.
No. Nope. I mean, barely, yes. If we want to technically say it, but that's not going to be enough for me, especially at this very strong level here. Price can continue down for sure. You did make a top wick here. Stops are, previous candle stops are 22 pips, so not that bad at all. I think I would much rather hold off and see a 1 hour candle close and then look to take positions on pound yen here. Yeah, you may get like a 30-minute seller replay too with that. But if this is your position, take it. I would take it, but this is a very strong level of support here, and I would really like to see a closure below there. Yeah. Yes, sir. 30-minute seller would be best. Yeah. Yeah, that would lead to a 1 hour closure below there too. Bring out the whole alt. Yeah. Yeah, gold is done. Gold is most likely done here. I want to see gold now. Like as a trader, what I'm looking at now is where will the daily candle close, right? Can the daily candle close below this level at 1940? And if it can, then I will start to plan the day for tomorrow. So once we get a closure here today, if this daily closes something like that, tomorrow you will see a push. You'll see a massive push down, and we should be good to fill this entire range here. So yeah, lovely. Gold still clean to 31. 31. Yeah, you got a support right here. So support at 33 now. Very choppy now. That was the move, right? You wanted to cover this move right here. Clean move, and that's what you did. Clean move. So we're back to where we started before CPI. All right, cool. Yeah, that's gonna be it. That's gonna be the day here today, gang. No trades here today. No idea or no limit order set or anything here today. Right? We were waiting very patiently. We knew the direction of price, but just never got an opportunity to enter ourselves into the market. So that's fine. There's always tomorrow. There's always later on. W day on patience, W day on discipline, and that's really all we came here to do today, right? To be patient, discipline to not take trades that don't fit our plan, and discipline to take trades when our plan shows up. But there was no plan that showed up here today. No position, no playbook set up. So we leave it at that. But that's gonna be the day, boys. See you guys tomorrow.
An honor.
Peace.
Yeah, if you guys got a few minutes after stream, let me know. I'll send you guys a new Zoom link, and we could jump on chat it up real quick.
I bet.
Well, sure, for sure.
I gotta tell you about some exciting news. We're gonna tell chat, but we're not gonna tell them until Friday.
I already bet. Yo, is it what you kind of messaged me this morning?
Whoa! I don't know about that. Me no speaking no English. Me no speaking no English.
Okay.
All right, boys.
I won't say nothing. I say nothing.
Say no more. Don't say another word.
Peace, chat.
All right, chat. Hey, love you guys. Hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy it. Spend some time doing something you like, right? And if you're not doing something you like just yet, start writing down some things that you would like to do, and let's get after them. All right, chat. As always, it's a pleasure, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Deuces. Peace.
Peace.
I got 2 words, actually. I'm gone.
He's gone. You know what, chat? I'm gone too.